Adom TV Badwam Jumadi eso yedanyame asese nenso adechensroma fefe na toye nso ame ehunu ne ye moakwa abapa umre no wadaje a wode FM ye anopai kase na yede dikan ne etodwo omu bi a wobetie nie National Health Insurance Authority ayere sabosumi ensia de yenuanom mo a won mo kidney se ho aba ana atochema nti won da dialysis so no obehwe na won session no ebie na wotwiri mu no ofasaka na yede honsam no ebebro na fe ya konkran monten so akohwese de na adwadifo agye kwan nyinim nyina aboso edidwa eno ne nsem na no pay yede browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe me live e Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube Adom TV Tube ubenya ye wo ho medin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dem tie se de nsam ni chiremu ankasa etie Penny Kwanchefo ya wono ne da National Health Insurance Authority ano Dr. Abuaji da Costa se enedie wono matena ye no aye ne se dialysis support won de be ma ye nuano ma sabi won kidney no how aba ho a wo modern video so Adom TV kase etwaso
yes, a tea committee led by Dr. Insiansari, the presidential advisor on health. A cost of a fair we almost submit your report. Now the woman say almost saying a war dialysis national you heard call for now your philanthropies be out here 380 or more. They say our binds were increasing fee in 491. And it's 491 now by increase. No difference now. Difference near 111. And here tries our difference no. You bet me a cover B ama kolebu for no. A back on for notch so omo the omni support be into almost a behe a quine crab so a babuamo a ba Cape Coast Central Regional Hospital so almost need support be and here behe about 80% of the patients no a war kolebu. And see you so I'm here to take the report to the board. Na hona implementation no started. And very soon no omo way. Now when the man here strong kokra ne say dialysis patient na nkasa ka committee ne ho. And ye nyina ye fa dwen nia hwese de be solve the problem.
Ena ya make us in crying in a mountain so tichu bia ye di dwane de adwadifo na agekwan nyina boso bia nka wonim se ho enipa ne nante fa ho no beko na kwabrane ahyedwa wo ho wani ehu na botugu obeje odo pa droba fo no so afa bi ade aka ho ntia makrom abo ape so pa na ewie ye se boy wunya ho twabre kura ya mane boni prince so sesiedu efe krom de nkomo into so eba
ese ya ka ne mfa ha ne na ya ba ya nimu kakra ne de ya wachi kura
oh da bi ya wo ho akuku oduro enu ana ya de hwe ya ma
meme ne bi entimitia no mo stock ro mo abeji afa what I say minister aya na me wo me ya abae
Adom News nsentwofo eto aso ene ahyemkafo a wo mo etwi ahyen ede fa ha edi nkomo na wo mo nsusu nsem a wo mo de tu ye nim no wo me ntie bi
all the time about traffic ko san ko mo ko eche ka man dia nka ye ni problem dia te ko mo ko eche mo hwe mo no mo ko eche man ya so be boy na mo so abo mo nyina senye break cry obi cry park cry obetumi car bi betumi afọ bi na so cry aba ha adwen
ana say u feri so break nso a na ekofa akonhia de ban so u driver wo na wenya asem
ye ko so a ebo eye Accra Metropolitan Assembly wo mo epunum senke ye benya eye public relations officer wo ho ana say mayor a wo ho nanso no nkra yensa eka ye ne say dwumadie bi ede omo akopie mu ewo baby foforo amane boy mi amede free Accra Central ede brewi medin ede Prince Owusu esi
Dunkwanhene okofro bo benu akon ya wotosome ensa wa Padentra East Mensimu ewo mfimfin mantemu so de nanu atomu bi sede ensu ofe wonu ase no galamse ha dwene wo ho pa nananse mo de tu dwa no eni
eno da tototo ni gunsuo no mu kititi na se ho ana eko okwachi na ode no bere police ni a okofie ndi se hwan na yakwachi na ne de ama no nti yesramo anyi ofino nkoa na sika wom yesramo anya ofino nkoa na sika wom mo nya de mo ye no a yeso so ye nya mo kire wo mu si achi o ebeja na so sika wo betu ansa na wo ye ja wo no besere mo ofe no de munya no munya ofe no mo ofe ho nto no
okofro bo obenu ako esan kato aso se ehu behia se Ghana fo nyina enya adwen foforo ewo ekwan a wono mo fa so esi adan ehu enti a wode sansem ne tu dwa no emu nkyire mu ni
yesu ni ye ban no esesi yesu ye sesa oman dunkwa oman Ghana yan ka se sesa yesu ni ye ban na eno na dabi ebetimi aboa yen se ya sesa de yen ani aban bi obaba bi enu ho ma obeye good amaye mesre epamocho oman dunko aman denjira aman idi nyame pamocho mesre mu we de mensa da mensa yam na mesre mo epamocho ye nyina ye hwe kwa be fa so a oman no asomdwe betimi abam
Yvonne Nelson ye sinitwani abayua na woni nipekuo bia yeso ombe dumso vigil namso ma won akohia enkamantami mu bambo empanifo ne won odi nkoma wa ye ne se mebosume de toso no enumu no won ebeye wia no mienu edikosi anajofa nondu na bia ne bia yeso omofa de koko wie nyina no omunyina adwuna akobenkro mu Adom TV etwase
yetina se yedi nkomo no ensem mienu na ebaaye ensem na ne de hen na police for say eye baabi a yepese yedi kan yehia ne yetina ye vigil no eye the Revolutionary Square eno de omosre yen ehonom ye security zone eho de enyeye de toso mienu omosan ebusa ebi nu se ye ka se ebetena from anopa 8 am to anwumre 12 and ado 12 eno so time no ye hwede enya hu bibi akoba ne sa no mene Yvonne mene Selom ye nyina bihia epie ekubusa abrewa na yebusa abrewa na say okay fine in matters like this no we have to compromise just to make sure say bibia be konani until time na I say etna from 8 am to anwumre 12 no is the sign adwen eye ne say ye betna from awia 2 awia no mienu akodu anwumre no wotwe say amomba police station asema wo de ekoso look at the genset esiso ye bedu ha nyina esum ukokan ye say dumso ni ho enti hemfa na nana dodanko akufo ado ejina awo kan say dumso bia ni Ghana ha very unfortunate.
We just want government to hear our cries. We're frustrated. We need our lights back on. And I believe this is exactly the same message I was preaching in 2015. And it's the same thing. We want them to know that, hey, we're frustrated and we need this to stop.
Yeah, me and boy, if we Greater Accra Regional Police Headquarters, the Badwam Kasiye, within the Selassie, amo.
Achachafo nkabomkuo ahodo bi wa poyemantemo ate won ho agumonten so won asam no dada no a condition of service ene niema bi allowance bi a delay e wasa ban no hwe na wode ema wo mo Adom kase etwase.
I say over 15 years now and I in demand about allowances. Oba teacher for ya ketu ya semwa. We the basics are ni free mo. Apart from CPD allowance I was a CR no. Yen said any allowance be a teacher for generality of us no yen saka. Obi anya hwe. Na eno na ye ka say dwumadi a ye di no ye bebre a obi a entua ye ho ka. Entedum pempenso a se ne ye ta ka no. Ya ketua ne suru biewu. Ye general asase su ha ya na yen so yetima bobrasa na ebinum so ebobra no. John
Donko coordinating director ewe Poyemantem wono na ogina Poyemantem soafo anemu eje achechefo okuye yinsam a na wakuchire egu nkrata so na wo hye wono mo bose obebo modin asesoafo no ensabeka.
There is an emergency today. So the regional minister is out of the municipality. He is not available as at now. So when he comes, we shall hand over this petition to him. And I can assure you that we shall submit it to the appropriate quarters for redress.
And actually, Anna, Ivia Santo Usu, your regional education director, and so editor Chechefo no any must say, one can one makuma and so on.
The government is poised to make sure that whatever petition that they've sent or their grievances will be given the necessary attention. We've given them that assurance also that as much as the government is also working around to fulfill whatever promise for them, they shouldn't also relax in carrying out their duties as teachers so that we continue to sustain the academic work that we are doing.
Locked Up Investment Holders Forum so edena watche na ama asreye share yensi kasem ho so wante won monka won besa ba won abobo no ho biem abe twe won madwen ede asiso Adom TV kase etwaso.
Just give the release and let's have our money. That is all we want.
As a pending first order in office in your audio and your personal property you will live here. People have come through this building and gone. Fane office keke now kwatrance na monka enye sa na no now the na bonten na obedi oni na edi nkomo. You don't have any respect for us.
Na so oni nyina mu no convener Dr. Adom TV ehye ne mpanimfo kasa ye asomdwe ba ye ema wonne oswafa abedi echi a wo hye o man si kasam so Steven amwa edi nkita ho de nkita hodie no ekwe no Dr. Adom TV ene nsamtwefo twetwe nkoma wode tu dwase
ya nkono office opese ye kono office ba mesi ye nyina ha ya na yen kasa nti ye gina ha na ye kasa e no se wodamasi letter no enim ha ewo omo minister ho osi bi wa ha mesi da bi mini copies wa ha but minister na kasa officer obinya copies nti opese oba ko copies na oni ni minister ene mpanifo aka no e discuss na ne yeso mo ne bank of Ghana for so discuss omo discuss na wa frame aboma wane ne aban pese den oye ewo ho nti waje me number so obefrɛ me nti aka kyerɛ sɛ well sɛ saa na wo ka yetu ase ne mum ya hyehyɛ sɛ maybe ukada bia ye beba ha nti sɛ yetu nka na sɛ ense sɛ ye ba ha ye ma sɛ yetu nka anase antu yetu nka na sɛ nka tie no enye ne yeto ya sumu a na sɛ ye ba ha no ma ye besan aba
wɔkyerɛ efiri sabre ya edikosi enne na wɔtwe de wɔhwɛ ne mu sɛ wɔbɛte asoyɛ mpanimfo nka sɛ wante a enne na wɔtwe wɔbɛsa abɛyɛ oyɛ kyerɛ biem Adom kase yɛbɛkɔ so adi akyiwe ne bɛpiem ne bɛma ahwɛfo aso ate midin ɛde akuya ɛkya oyi akwan Adom kase so nie
Yeguso aye wo sikakrabia mu ensansam na Bring Bank GN Bank campaign aba enkran ya wo mo na mo monten so twen panifo adwen asiso se ebre no aso se GN Bank no ye de wo mo license ma wo mo na fe won ye wadwuma se de na brebi atwam won mo ye no kan adwuma yefo bi a na wo mu ne wo mo ana mo monten so a wo kasai adomama no boni ni binum e kasai
campaign no as you can see on say adwadifo ma e frɛ GN Bank sabe nanado inaugural address what can be said we should be citizens not spectators and you see a catcher another say a nipa more than 4,000 are no me adwuma GN Bank omutifie a omunye adwuma what you say and ye catcher and say SS students now or free SHS no GN Bank no they were all dependent on GN Bank because after free SHS no omo abetena ebi mu nko university omutifie GN Bank na omo ofa omo no mo ye mobile bankers na GN Bank etu omoka ema omo so nya bi edidie eno omo nyina abatifie so those people ni nyina no they are calling GN Bank ka chana na sananado GN Bank na egu ye no egu wo under your regime enye papa enti yesro fa GN Bank bra said there be a market women emabunu farmers small scale miners omo nyina benya emphasis for all GN Bank so
na say asemu we court nyendi asem ni we nti sa campaign ya mo ahya asie ene court de na ewo no emfa asem bia ma
me ba chaw ade a eye no em say edikan ko high court the ruling by sa ruling no somebody like Philip any sympathizers of Dr. Indum no we disagree they say no yasa ko appeals court
campaign ya wa ahya asie ura ndum ni ho bi
no ora ndum wo ye ne de me ye me de ikra wo hwe ya say wo se wo koto what I say, is also about the koto. No announce to the whole in the whole country. What I say, or move region by region. I catch them say, and near my question, and yet into a beyond can be man. Say you're fret a handful. Or man won't punish for you now, can be because I did a question, and yet no for it.
But not GN Bank, not a musical salmon, nay, yeah, and son a begun.
Massa, GN Bank was not insolvent.
Mayina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay media sia sedane ya wodia emrani adaje a wode ma yenti erade fa nkomra somdiem sabria no nsia gba pa ho ne mom ba bia wonam bia nso utime show ya live on Facebook/Adom TV extra and I say Go TV 119 DSTV 280 o YouTube nso a search Adom TV tube na page medien kayen toso ma mintwa me ho be 2 minutes imrade obonkrata na ye krado afi online stories ni bi nso ha na fi incoming ya toso de ama ye basisia ade ase ye da na se papa pa ye onoa nya obi a nya osika nya ho ofe enye din bi a wanya ye radia ono na echicha Adom no ene aso subie obi ansore ne se oti ase a erade se kase erade me da ase ti erade ada ase ye ne yahwefo ne ye tiefo papa bi a wachiri ne bencheye yemo akwaba papa se wafidie no eda Adom TV de edu so no eye de bonkrata na fe online stories a abeka yensa ni die mu amra no kakra kan so a ye ne mumbedi nkomo se de danso ye no ti eda ase news no de ye wie ya hye no so se ye news no ye 5:45 de ne ya hye ye late kura kakra bi so ati ase nti ya make sure say news no so ubeti ye da so be ne sa ene mini incoming ya me kan incoming na obubo otiri nkone
power to the
na dia fru nsem nye incoming again ti me ne Bismarck akosinsia mampo no wanya stand me mo akwaba
me Joseph here
because they are me kana obubo otiri
no say a power to the people
it's power
incoming a power to the people
okay nyanu ho nti we dey forget it say 38 and I okay say 28
if you men kan wasem
what you say dia no ano no men kan wasem
wo go there
oh nyame adom hey why you designer
level up the tailor
oh why are there
me say so for no ne fashion designer okuta masters in fashion
dabi wadwe wo na wonim no wonko obi diem
wo se ne wunim wo se hwɛ nkwa se ne waso ate wani hu nsa som na odi hu adanse enti madanse na medi
ti men ka se so far
if you say na make sa me no am platform
ani e maje so ba be dwam sade ba o ya de kare na fe fata wo so rock na fine shama na ye fe pa so mo mawfu a e be hu combination ade ama ya no pay why fe ko so na ne sa na we nyina no e oba papa bi o da chiritia ti o mano pese wo hye we e be fa paboa we ne be ko ana
enu ano no
thank you
enu ano
thank you ye wasade de Mother's Day no ipa mi ensanya bete o ye de
ni o se be ma ye ma oyire
kasa no ya doso ye se kasa sa mi em friend ye hwe de ne de wasade be de a me body ni straight nya fe na be ye de wase munyeje maso munyeje ye so na ma ye difficult kakra na dia man he oba o we say homodwe dia man we nyina tricks we nyina me shada de man so mo pay attention oba de dia bibi kakra bi ye emotional ntu ya de kakra de ani so say de ope bia na de man de ope bia na de man nti kakra bi mada ya wo ma me ensamienu enan amamo o me yire fia diwe enkra wo de amamenti efe entwe akra ma de ne ma ade achi bia surprise no aye feradi nhehia munyuma so na nyuma no bibia si ya kwasi we nkaka sa bia de achi
we kasa bia ma achi
sa na meken asem na meka se sika samu ya enti enko pepesen
e video achi a o if you have daily graphic da wakata entrance era no person friend Dr. Rita Bisunat director at UNESCO okay hold duty bearers accountable. Journalists told at African Media Convention say African Media Convention Ghana hanu
okay
ti abibrema mind some telephone penifo nyina betwem ewo enkran ya yesu so adwen to adwen ko betimi afa so man some tredwuma no
okay
e bejira na so ye pa more especially ye ko yanim this era of social media ne ade no we say a movie from the traditional media to social media and idea back here say how to still make the traditional media relevant social media pen so that wa me edit to just say and some telephone so penfo e ya de a enye ya yenka omo ye na ye a ye ma manfo ni su se de kan mo to
ana it's like to daily
graphic and the about see we will restore Galamsey lands forest. John Dramani Mahama, flag bearer of the NDC, and also a kind saying MTN calls for a rethink of tax structure. And the MTN also and say a 2-year GMM no, and when she share no papa, yes, I should move him. Na Emma business into me in Naso. FinTech Summit highlight investment opportunities in Africa. Daily graphic and a way band and pay daily guide and so in here what the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mama Jane Adukwe Mensafuni Abraham, or see Imani peddles falsehood, easy. And I can say him 177 million Ghana cedis for nurse trainees allowance. Dr. Alhaj. And it is yeah, and I'm saying
by now we are expecting say be hit allow our nurses now.
Yes, free by 4 day.
A free ministry, finance, about
controller.
Health, controller.
Woman be payment. Yes.
Radin we are more bonem raso. Na sasi kan omo de ye nema.
Government releases 2 million Ghana cedis for kidney patients.
Ya ye news ni sisi.
Tinano pay.
Na nchiremu and then so yes, na the health why are there council anopa me chia o council kojo fojo list o why are there papa nya de bia na MPP NDCC MPP for health and so muram na kidney no yes serious pa
my brother back where Mr. 17 and 19 years also mutual 1,000 cities a week.
Now we cry health insurance for we dey mo fair cry no as we say on say yatum now omutu am say 380 a day
and they say
491 nti the abeda so no na me say papa nka yi a eno na oso o mafa
me absorb ti dia ka na de
still best we go to atua erade hu ye mo bopa ye kidneys ni ye livers no me ade erade so my
and then komodie me fa ba bia any doctor for free comfort no che
Dr. Tim crying.
Yes, a doctor for a free national health insurance. You will Ministry of Health.
Okay.
And Perfonia will a renal patient association. President Nakasamu. Or more cra kidney hunro at the bomb memo. It's in a comedian befa by bia.
Men kasi ebe hunu.
Yes.
Unima unim. But so unimon kwa dia. Ubetu wana mo tiebi. Ude tiebi. Enyim free ha. Enko tie we ha ho. Politics abewie na adane asombone ade. Tie health ne kakrama ye ne wate ya mishra so be ni sa.
Okay, 70,000 smart tablets deployed to schools and tablet na pen for pa hontuma no. Ya remove 70,000.
Me ba no free school ba wo kura bia na.
Enyo bia na nya bi sese.
Ba me chese sa na tie.
Debi yeah. So bia wonya bibia de. But wonya wie school a ya ban japa de.
No do kofie na kwaye eseye ehun hye tete.
Ehun hye tete. Atim minim say I don't think them so be kofie.
Yeah, ehun me but the school.
Yeah.
Nti say do ICT no be use ana.
Debi na say na we bia wo so. Eti course sa wo ye nyina no. Enu ana e wo so.
Okay.
Etu u press ya papa dey say.
Last na me penny bi kasa. Na what to school. Atoto fancy laptops e di ama. Achache for no awo mo personal one. Na school so mo bi so mo be use ni school. Because we dim say school dey na say no mo dey wo.
School dey be say.
Just anya ne dia infiri no bottom. Nti we ya ye 70k.
But I'm say we all say ma awfo ni twia.
Bia be say ni bia. O say o say ye say charge wo na twia. They say ya high say commercial bi wo ho no ammo wo be twia.
Yes.
Sika na ya hia ye say charge wo.
Wo be say wo de bia.
Yeah, so twia.
Obetwia
ye mamra nya dwuma saa no obi aba careful
sa wo hwe ne yi a onwua bi so beba mi
aba
be use na enkoba se 70,000 ya cha mo mbewi abako na ka 10,000 na fe ne se ko peska for sa de ko 260,000 ya be
bi wa bi ankasa sika betimi de aye bi mo ma ye nwene e ma te sa de ne ye ankasa ye dia wo bi de ye na wo de ye
beta ma ne wo say gas. Oh, so e bayira. Gas ne de afie de e bayira. But o beje resource na.
Ye betew. Ye betew. No de e wo ho.
E dan na won sanka but won dua gas na. On sanka.
But na kwasi se school yi.
O kana ya se. Yes.
E se ya mun kura ya nyo mo hwe. No mo ne nam.
Ti aba pan fo hwe.
na de eme yi se se nkura no se ye mo nti se bia wadi nsemone no ye catch you know that what you've done is not good as a child. Way. Adi a trust them crack kase.
Jimmy bata konfra kuma.
Nti fade ai.
Ti azoa ba na tiano. Also you know that.
Nti enye fine ebi mo ebufu nti wo hwa no obo na bra na bibi. But akra de also ne to na de ayi king. Ese king kura ho aye na. Ho na ebeto. Ebu wasa. Wo twa ne to ba ko mienu. No wo se de na me se me last me bo me ba boy. No ye no ko ka kire ne anti se. Na o se da bi o adano de mommy bo me no.
That's what. Yeah.
Bakai.
But do baby fear na as no say you be kwa betimi akọ. Do me na cheche for me ma ne bro so.
E na me ka no. Obebo na abefra wani. Wo abo no wachi nyina apia fa bo ne to.
Do baby na say.
Kakra abo no ba ku mienu miensa. Eh no kre.
Yeah, too much.
Enu ti na ye twa mu. Mu me nya abotre.
Pitimi bu akwada ma obeba ne ho na mi na bia. Eno nya ntia.
Emfa fie pressure nko school. Cause obi a we issue. Obia kwasi ana.
Nyongwa na irete o. Na odi akosu obi ba so.
Na tese obi okro onware ne mpena bi kura amanse ahokyere frustration. Ahokyere ekom ni ade.
Osokyere bi ya otwe mpena otumi se onu mpena ni asmo a odu ye ngwa ya ose kyerkyere mu kyere oyere.
Se abro so ka kyere obi. And you study one day. One bepa. What you say? Afa no irete wo na afa.
No be experience. Madam fu bi asempa to no.
Anyway, the experience is the best teacher.
The business analyst.
Yeah, the I the obe to us.
Inflation to hit 22.1% in May 2024, reported by Adom. Ghana bagged $3.94 billion from NTs in 2023. Third AMC kicks off in Accra. Grand opening set for today. Business analyst. The anchor Ensu Enye. No gold leaves Ghana without GRA PMMC supervision. Adamus Resources exposes accusers' ignorance. KGL boss extols economic potential of Ashanti Kingdom. Fuel prices to drop from today. Baumia promises regular meeting with clergy if GPHA condemns embarrassing clash at port with GIS. The anchor. So anyway, Ebano Penny Ewie or paper the Citizen. Killer import levies. Publishers and authors to increase prices of textbooks. Lawyer Dixon Osei SB praises Asante for facelifting Asante Kingdom. Stop sharing our lands like cake. Ga chief warns government officials. The Citizen. So the way by online.
Online baba ye ne omo nkasa kakra na asem komo na ye die no bi be interested 0302 211 701 702 703 704 0302 211 701 702 703 704 na ye ni enkomo afi ba adomonline.com ye twen call so family announces date for burial of Mawina Sheba ye ma me papa bi o free mo abusia de data ye be sie ye de hye no enso e de aba ano pay na ye ora Franklin Kujo so na bo kokko NDC amanyoku no se onye careful abato yi emu mayan kwada na je wa homa no so na no pay ye mo ache mo akwa abado Badwam TV Badwam eso
ni ambacha meje so do
ye da se me
wono oboje fo no tifo nyina ho ya no pay
o nyame adom ye ho ye ntie we
pedase anfa kwenye embo impanyifo abaso nyame ameka se FOB chairman Frank Obama chairman ameka se mejidi se ewa baba yan se bana baso tan se ka se medicine allowance bi fe nde no mejidi se obi ade ho dan se abetum mejidi se we nyumre nde na abeka obi ansa na we kire se mpenda da mahama no a obeka se mintia mo pa mo ntungensimi tombe kaya o kasa kire wo mo mbrebi sa choko
so se ya ba ifo bunti yanko ya ni papa president
ba me adie ensa na sene toma no wa no tena boa ye wa
ya da se papa ne omre ofofro nso ahoma no so me do fo no pe wote yanka ya mo akwa aba we went me nyina so fa che na kani minister bin so recount ne na mane say crofo osre no o use old car pressure
no be nice. Be out na parliament for 12 years we actually no fatotro
Nem sent to na nkuyi.
We no fatro.
Okay. 0302 ma yemfa another caller. Me do 40 enka yemu akwaba. Nana no pe yemu akwaba.
Kitan bani bia me kasa Koforia.
Koforia. Pacho yentie o.
Pente me Ghana card bi o Ghana card na me obi o na me hu. Na me so me kwako yedi. Awo.
Oh. Na homa na teko. Emi so o se ko ye.
Hello.
Nana ya tie o.
Me Ghana card ni card na me hwa ko ya de na me hu. Enti enras me ko twa bi. Ko am see for 5.1. Oh.
5.1 a day.
That's a 501.
510.
Yeah.
510. Ah, sa ho. Wa musem de ntia.
Na bubu o. Na nti me photocopy kura.
Nti me say wa musem de ntia o say 510 no.
Na me think ko twa bi no say me 5.1.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Papa yemfa unsi ya.
Na misa.
Senka obusa mu ansa na yehunu de nti omu reason ti a wo de ye na emomanya de ye papa eto asomu de na ya to so afie wada ro masa ko hobie na yenhwe de besie chena de pachen a na ya to so edase papa edase yemfa assemblyman no pay ye mo achen
vice assemblyman me frɛ ko forujua
yo pacho yentie o
na wo de mamini ka mo yemla chibedwani abaso onna bo makọ chireba afi abaso kacie wonye ma oye wa pima ntem ade na bruni party nti ase so na second one so enkoma NDC for any MP for yete new job in ate in fact registration center one there ya chese party no amone kuwo enye tournament ye nyile nfa baako nice choba center on mo na ete efeke NDC ni MP ni bibi ne be fia na omo apenya partner ya kan na dia sunwie den aba ta do ma ye dia komenda ko bia ntimi hweso ne me ekoso new job in safo no efe
yada se
ta ko bia ya ka won ti gwetu antwi bia den ewo timasema no
yada se last caller ne dia si odo ti enka ye mo achen
so afia ma achen no pay
ya jo so papa
na onyuma pa woni uni akwasensia nyamishiramo ontumkom anope imi nkomotiawa omampani abadi echi ninima wodie yenimisa afi no be yakase na me ha kakra ne se yehwe anope mo ni reporter yinima news aya it means we release laptops at the master school na me ha kakra ne se so ma omuncho mo ni basic schools yehwe me yehwe ni no basic school okwa even textbook aya one copy teacher ni wo de trade wonya bi na kopem sen kra no enti wo ha kase a ye ni so usida na foundation nya afi ya di se da no se ne sunsan so beba ya ba wo bo modern de na islam na da roma o teacher basic school
ya da se papa yemfa course ni si ya ena no correct foundation no
enya
ase ne nya ede ne
white house kre bebu agu
what ase enti we de mampani abede ya kire ne mampani mo ya de yes owura dutwum doctor otitiru so adan up to now textbooks in here
yeah
that topic we so another discussion for
another day
ya behwe ba no pede kwesi bibia ni wa fancy ye kọ na agudie mu nsam erekesi edubodi ba na fe health tips no ba halitosis no misraw oni mu wonka sa nu mu nka nyo bia na etime prompto this e be den pa sa wo ha ne ka den ko wo kan sa wo fe ni pa no timestro yentie unhu niema bi de yekekan na automusini fast no to hu anamo na akọ na anigi abafie enu mu kanti aware bi yagu obede kisi no go be ma na anigi hu so sente no nti hwe no na siesie na asomdwemra yekọ erekese dubodi aikra
last morning I'm saying watch mo akwa be mra so say ya gudi mo nsam to aso e ma o nsam ne na toss there's a fata salty ene e boabo no de ba now ma intro date into mame on the 1st of June troto ba bi mame say I can be the tema so be de and can hit FM refugees yina ye show aviation social center and no e hono now tema foi munye so hey Adom FM Adom TV and Asempa FM ye ken tomasi ni eja obane to son konkro ye ba tema e tia bana tema community 9 the UEFA Champions League final na broad and den my enhia wo T Havana ya Dortmund na Real Madrid na Champions League na betima ya Dortmund afi na Real Madrid edge the 15th Champions League trophy almost over twice as much as Nipa na waje ben no AC Milan na 7 and no Real Madrid no dey near 15 chairman at the end of the it's home yenhia na yenhwe se befa na Dortmund esan another Champions League after 1997. Like I said, no, they be bro live commentary. I could be benefitia no pana. Could say commentary no. Ebe chance here until you knew whom film fan jim na de de pa yes empire na eja. Sergio Manucho Bernard Paddy betray me producer schedule and kasani Eric Casiedu Bodi now. Ebe chance here the English Premiership and matches also. Na sani adneka koro United pushes so beting boy European football next season. Chelsea back-to-back wins. I check for the first time this season in time Madrid aba 4th win in a row and also push next season be papa the other say Europa na Conference League Champions League out so and United win here my last game of the season will fee 2 games more Brighton na fi my last game in the FA Cup final against Manchester City. Now after the game, Merrick Ten Hag Kasabi everybody. And you can portray highlights of the Chelsea and the Manchester United games now. Chelsea and so a game of the Kokori and Chelsea to me and 3 maximum points. But after the United game, Merrick Ten Hag, or a manager the Manchester United, what the fans now say for their support this season on my bread, so my brepa but my support you no edanchen or promise you say FA Cup final on Man City air ko bono or G trophy ni dia mom. Old Trafford. And the last game because Bruni man yefe. Very beautiful. When the fans na kasa omo kasa wote. Kwa Sports Stadium wa kasa wonte. Kakra Sports Stadium ne de microphone amma coach son kasa jama. Yente speaker no fa ha de nyina blublu. Enche ha de no ho na ba. Nti has phone triple no makasa biko. Mokasa yente. New Legon Stadium ne de ho de o ni e ma e muda ho mo bonyo ko atim se jigum beti tim Jakar Sports Stadium am say kasa kire fans de o mfanya hwe ti ya so makasa moti amate wanti afan ti o VIP ho ne media ho for no media for grant VIP for na tikaka mo opposite the VIP there mo forget out na monte hwe boy now for a record 15th time Juventus are the Coppa Italia. Yes, and Vlahovic ball the only goal. Juve to me a win over Atalanta in the Coppa Italia final in Italy. Right, so Coppa Italia for the 15th time. It's Italy. Why the Juventus are just bread trophy in Mazese. Trophies ne ho akwatwe pa de amount by Coppa Italia de untumi omokora en kopie mu or the wafu zone B and a 17 boys tournament and Black Starlights of Ghana Chassis and Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire and I winning 5-1 over Cote d'Ivoire. Interesting now the Legon Stadium. The Black Starlights of Ghana to me after see you know you until like Kingston na you like Kingston somebody to draft after the game.
Throughout this preparation every team that we played we've dominated play. Our last tournament in Russia we lost against Russia. First 15 minutes, we were down 3-0, but we dominated play against, Serbia. We dominated play against Kazakhstan. We dominated play against our friendly game against Niger. We dominated play as well. Today's game, different opponent. Like I said, thumbs up to every coach. They are Ivorians. They are a very good side. We wanted, and of course, most of my boys, first time playing such competition, home soil, I felt they were a little bit jittery. So with that, we have to manage and then try to take something out and then try and do our best. Sometimes we try to play 1, 2, 3 passes, but for me, as a technical person, I'm not satisfied with the way we play. We did not dominate play today. We just got the results, but hey, the up and coming games, this is our style, and you will see it in the way we play.
Right, like Kenson, and I wouldn't say to you are coach of the Black Starlights. So, Manya 5-1 there. But Ghana first ball and any Shada and Yehon. The National Ghana's next game will be against Benin. The challenge was half a man and now they be PBA on some bro. We are ever samba near the Akaba and you measure the Akaso woman. I say, actually, why? Now, what was any see it? I said, Giovanni Bernard Paddy Butcher, producers ya na wakae de nankasa ka kejwa no Erica sie rubuari afema kwata maklo de apomoni won sambe to aso yewia na de akaso aba koso a na hebedwam
Esme mu akwaba medidi afia amankwata maklo yedi nkomo na wochi halitosis anase enka eho hu se obi avoidu bebrea mamia me yehu se ene ne bia enka binti yenyina ye hye no so bi avoidu bebrea nya bibia na ye ayu bia no wonum sente no meda endpoint for me party clinic ase na da roma ene yedi nkomo a ehu hia paase timisho so yarea yemo enko endpoint. The number is 0244-867068. Tena, it's an edrum educating on halitosis. And then see more quaba. Yeah, that's it. If I say prevention, why Benny bay to me a boy a noom, and who buy a free cankai, and I say be a risk factors are, and also a war in cankai.
Okay, Miss Pedase. A quiet bit to me, a bon. Yen say be boy ho ban a sa de tibian entu yen say yen fa ne say yes and na sorry our daily work ya be ejuma ya ye ejuma ya sweat ye ho aye fi ye du fie no ya kai say because of our activities in the day no nti ye be dware to freshen up but ya kai say ye num no ye dididi ye ye de nom drink ye di snacks all these things no ye de but yan kai eno nti ye dware body no ye ja oral cavity no bibia nso so na ho e na efa ya e de bae nti the first thing they say mesre Ghana fo etie fo madofo enwumre se chichi no ehun hia yen yare bebre about 80% of yare ayenya no efa yenu inti enwumre no udi e kenken ni konkonte na yedi ye ni nyina fried rice no ye nchichi na niema na ekohihye bebi ni nyina entumi empie say etumi yesa at least we are devoid of 80% of dental diseases and our body diseases no it be yesa ebeboa yen beside talking about tobacco oma smoking oma no monsano. I'm not saying you shouldn't drink and I'm not saying you shouldn't smoke. But oh yes, sir, after that act, no, chichi.
Okay.
Coffee drinkers, no, it's okay. Coffee, no, at a point, grand doctors may who say a boy and your body. After no, no, so maybe I want to say, what you mean to choose here? Raise your mouth. Adopt a dental, you will be a kind of situation swallow. So did you hear now? No, Sunny money, we are fancy. Who we know. So be all known to me. If you know what would and just raise your mouth and then swallow it. So wait me, I raise it to you. You're comfortable. Just raise it. So the bear. So what me did this here in the next 2 hours? Oh, I need any be. Asamba we know. You realize they made it that then it be bad because so I said in your chest now. One more spaces. As any money bet to me. Akoshishe ho but that space no so and also one ma eye nti o de fancy o ruwe num nyina kama na aduane ne de bia akoshishe de bibia ni nyina empie messing ko because e she what say o de aduane agu chensi mama ade ache e be say and then over days because obi ka chere me say o di rice 2 days ago after 2 days no na rice ni biba ni no na why be since the mouth wash can reason no so sa habits ni nyina mouth wash no and then me fa kwai we so dey educate say dro untimi nko clean pharmacy enkoto malaria dro a unya malaria nti mouth wash ni so dro try my prescribe mouth and say no akoto mouth wash bia say o de ruwe no
ye da se ne so info si ha china nyame ya doma ye beto so enti halitosis ho nkomo na wotwi ya ka ne so ono yen afa prevention Mr. Afutu no de ma yentie ni frame point was 0244867068 na daroma ene de nkomo yi ebro adepatwe ne nkwa hodin wo ha ebesa to say ye mo akwa ba biem Adom TV Badwam dwumadi so ye da rekase du bodi ase na odi agudie mu nsama bre afa health tips nso aba wakwan mu halitosis me sure say nso asuade pa de du so ye won komo bi ni titru pa ne de akuafo na Mr. Onyabrama me na tena se na tie nkomo yi kuani awusu bobona na mo ewe me no ba ye ne ade agomuntifo wa ha omba be boy product papa wadwa ma so ye de hu nkomo ora don kwa no pa ye mo ache
yeah media
happy birthday
Oh, medasi. Onshamo so if you say mama me didn't aji baby man for frame say si infoni Adom
TV sir.
But mama my kese.
Sir, why a star relationship manager and officer onona danasie. So ono anka nke yente.
No correct.
Nti nyame hira ono so. Ti onkwa so. Ye bia nye kese. Managing partner technical director ma Agromonti ora Dominic Donko Didi. Ti anope ye mu ache.
Yeah.
Se bibia boko de. Yeni nkomo ye ka Agromonti a ka bibifa mo ho ye hunu adumaku a moye.
Yo, unyate agrupe na che say agriculture asem.
Okay.
Na Agromonti ye dwumaku a yen de ade bia de eku adwuma. Ye di hu dwuma. Ye kuafo batan. If you say efa no aba a edidua oya sese yie. Emwa ewe ye no bae yare a ha no nyina no na ye dosuko na akopɛ ano aduro na de abo akuafo se be ya omo ndo bae no be so bebre na omo sikasam so
akoyi ndi ehia because emwa no we a ebe affect ye wase ha consumers no da ye pa nti eda mo asesam aba ene de wo ken de mo product bebre ene ye nka de he
ene be ka selector.
Oh, okay.
Na nienti ene be ka selector ne se say na otwetwe mu no me call apro no ihu se nipa bebre na eto ebro na omokodua na che se ebro bre no ani
okay
na se ukoye nkro nkitwa no mu a bibia omuta du ebro pa no in fact apafo eni ho if so munyina mebunu ni na bankran be struggle enti ema won ye kwadwuma no emu ado no ha adwen pa na yen no ye bibia e fre no research and development say ye hwehwem na any ekwadwuma be puntum ponti no ene edi selector aba ebema at ebromu ado ayemre amakwefo no
okay nti de ya ne say selector no ye for ebronko
if you say ebromu do no hadwen na yen no ye shedade crop specific say no buy no be nye baako a eye bibia esa na sometimes no hakwafo no bebre wanhwe ni ana akofa sunsanso bebre a emwakwe ni no
select na say na apply no say na de betimi ayiyi ebro no mu na ebro na gina brand
yo selector uhwe din na every selection
okay
nti ekwafo no fe na ebro coach na nti efe na ebro coach ni say on say coach bia no ofre dom no owia na we select omo a omo ndi odi omo besi akan na nkasa no nti selector de oye ni say ade bia nya bro bia wa asase no so de obehye no
okay
no wa select e bro no nko ansa munyina na mo nso na mo nya kese if we say enwura e wa afuo mu a omo na afuo no e pre asase no srade ni nyina nti esa na srade na e bro no hia a odi be gina benya nyina so na abọ kese no enya no sa but udua bro no na efuo no start say fra ebro no pe obo selector no obo agu ne ebro no nyina so nanso ne yonko ne ebro no nti onye ebro no hwe but enwure bia say yesre say ya champion ebe hye ne nyina ne eja ebro no nkwa managina
ye can say me sure so obi nso obi money other competitors no say enetie mu de na manadanso
yo me da se pa also me can say research and development enwuma ko bebre aba omoso boa ekuafo no omoso de nroba ba yen no yamba mu keke say ya ba say yenso ye beton nro yen yetu anamonko na ahwe so ohaw no ene den se ebro ahodo bebre aba ye wo Canadian no dabo no eno ye local
okay
ye wo OPV pollinated varieties no so no agric de and esa wo agric de fe no hybrid
okay
hybrids no na enhye de nya hodin bebre ba eso pa na dodo na wo dwa so no enoma na ye fra ye de yeduro no de di mu akotene pa no ye fra no nicosofron into beti nicoden yen nico no ano shima hybrids no especially it is obo wi abehwe na ama no shock uti anye ya na ewu ba yen ye de no formulation no is such that nico ne kitwi bi na ye de enro mienu asan afra enti ebro no oye hybrid o oye double oye OPV ebedomu kama mfa nsusu bi amre ti nsusu ada ye die no
nimsa wo kan se ne ekuani bi predendenden ehe ne ebenya bi na wona wo bi western baby Adom TV de kwa chiri omsu benya bi
sese madaroma de rua ye bo ha no nti no ama ye nuru no ewo agriculture stores bebree mu across the country go come baby a enti wo ekuani a dikan ko agriculture shop a ben wo na we busa se ope selector ato wokɔ no amfa selector ma wa mesrew me de no ma betudwa enti no afre ye betrew baby a wo no na ya trew shop a ben a yama no selector ne bi na yen so ye wo yankasa ya hweye bebre udu ho a sese ebie branch for kra na wotwe mu wo ho na wo branch ba ko ho a na wo KK house no obi oti ho de onim KK house na housing sese e ko bi for housing oba Mankesima Accra station Agromonti aso e udu techima na Fidelity Bank opposite ho na so Agromonti oba Madina yo Madina market nimu ena esan wo eye Zongo kwan no so omo friend no Libya quarters be 100 meters away from the traffic light ye wo ho ena akọ insan ma Adreji bridge no so esan e wo ho ogdu Adidome so a Adidome market ye wo ho enti kweni bi ope bibia no se bibia mabobo eben wa okọ a obenya Agromonti enuro ni nyina titiriu selector me bon de run up
selector esrem akuafo selector no de se de wura don ko kan mse ni season mu an ye wura yi abrodu na mu na abaye na mfudie na age bro no aban na aboso a anyini kama ti selector shedin nso ana so okọ na nye selector nso ni kwan so oto o movie free ho na okope bi my number no
yo nti se ohwe na ehwan eden amawa no ma ube frɛ na yaboa o eni 0243 462023 Mrs. Subium 0243 462023 ananso 0244 298 913 0244 298 913 we de matumbo na mbo efise papa bi si ode na wotwe ena tro no ma
sabo I was screen no cra since wadaroma I mon for screen na senso maye akuafo akiri no bench ya mo hwe ye de ene Agromonti fo nkasa sisi ni tissue no product no kwa say dawson be na de o say ye ka selector babubada product no so na
nti wunya o selector je oba ko bi me ba ko pe na e ka ho na pe se be ya enye bebri wo mutrem dem de ka ho no ye friend Michael King no ye de hye ebro na ba no ansa ye dua na ana se ade bia ye aba na ye di dua no wo de sha de ye ne se e ma ne hini ne akese na atre e wasase na se te sententan na kotwe srade e wasase ne mu ni nsu a ne hini ne ntimi anka entimi nkofa mmra no na yesa na e ma nobae no ebo akese enti wo a wudua ebro ana se ade bia eye aba na ye di dua no uhia Michael King na nka wo di atreati ansana wo di ahyefom wo di hyefom a ebe normal bebre amount ama wada yase
nti ene de koko frɛ mo say ebrofo ene yegina wo mo so ya ma o Michael King
any selector Michael King dey for abane keke
aba bia
selector no di bedom
selector ne de o de dom nti se wo hia so kwa kofa ba de bia
david wa wo nya wo cafe na de se wo chi na wo ba eno ano no wo na okono
na no wo ba adana na ehia na
o da bi enya abut na hye no ye na shini yi se nwura no ni wo bibia friend mulch das aseno so na afi ema ewia embo asase ni mu ma obi kan evaporation nc nti insuo so to a ema nsuo no gina asase ni mu che se be ya ebro no betimi atwe nsuo no na ode aye esie
okay nti so obo no na eni se ansa no
obo a be nansana ni dane na otwe mu no na adane kra eko na otwe menu mu na wutu ze nrua na hia eda asase na
no ye born
once
emma bien fu bi
na ndi wa obeta ukutwa obro no
wow
se one body ya na bia abra asa ukutwa bre no na say ebi piepie nketenkete but the title ni say ehunhia nwura no eni se nwura no wa asase no so abre bro no gina so na eno na selector be amount
okay selector Mr. One to hear crowd say selector ma money ntie ma papa me number ni bi ni mfensi
0243 46 2023 and 0244 298 913.
If I see her birthday man, the whole month ya nedia, so can cranshen sem guno so. Why? No mo koso anso da ye pa be boa akua 4 e wo mo nyuma wo ye. Na ye nso aye die no. Enya bibi papa di. Ti ye ne no nkomo ne di si ha me kwaba for Franso ho ye ba e beto so. Inwe die me director na ebo. Ai na ubo hu anu obi di ahyew. Director Priscilla. Oh nipa na ho ni ubewie na obi abodin na afia na nyuma oboye ni minim ho hwe mete ha nti minim de okun no ho ma no a ba nice song anyomre de de tie mu asem no na efa bo bra oni osmo na de aba no pay da say ye won komo kama wo ho aba time mesra mo ntwe meme why bra betena ho sisi ai empese ye man to ho begugu na pibrashe no me ade so about to home wonsa ye serious if it me affect ya na ne to nya ko odun so esungu a Mr. enne diaper ba ko abedwam aso a Martin rush e bia na wonte omo ha e ba bedi ho komo se be ye be wie no wo so pe bia anya bia to watimi abo ba no to ho ban e de free na pi rush me wo Dr. Mrs. Asanewa Ajiman Bedu ono na brand ambassador de ma perfect hygienic diaper oba pa me mu akwaba na bia boko de hey wo ye fedodo wow ambassador papa and me wo Mary Aboa Anaba enso ye HRPR e de ma perfect hygienic diaper ejumeko oba pa me mu akwaba yeah so short hey nye bad me das esa hono levels on go why ade why fa no pay why fe yeni nkomo me assure my friend about time so wo hwe if you say menya diaper for we dwama so a e wo say yetie ma me fan free oba Mary ho na yenhwe ka mo ho asam kire we de me fa kwenya yinso encha wetie fo nyina ye ka perfect baby diaper ye dwumako bi a ye wo Ghana ha na it is a Ghanaian own obika a Ghanaian owner na chese ye ayendie mu okay Ghana ni mapa na we bie se adwumaye amaye e wo Ghana ha okay ye the second diaper company I wo Ghana okay first one no soft cake na yenso ye baby diaper na the other one no abrofo de enti se ye ka ye ndia na chese we de efie ankasa enti ye wa ha na ye pese Ghana fo nyina hu se efie ne yaba enti momboa ye na ye nyina ye ma ye adwuma e wo Ghana ha engro enjina ti mo ho for how long ye 2019 na company no establish ye but COVID inti ama neema nhye dan koye but fiti last year ye installation and I started production ankasa this year from March inti fiti March eba no ya started produce diaper no e wo Ghana hase wow and ye wo under free zones board ohwe Ghana on my government ne policies ni bia why say want to promote made in Ghana goods and also support entrepreneurs so obeboa ankran dwumadie e wo ye mai mu ntino ye fa sa akwenya ne nso ene yeso ye de ho ko share free zones authority ase okay na say who operate under free zones who akwenya nso say obe export to product ni bi Into one benefit a woman is a yensu ye products ye made in Ghana goods no ebe kwa amanone ye be project Ghana e wo wiase nyina na nipa nyina hu say Ghana nso ye wade a ye papa wazo ye Adom TV wazo ye nti na ye ne perfect baby diapers and penifon so AD enkobo na mame kwa ambassador ho na besa ba ho bim ko de bibia no na ese me ba na ambassador se wo pe diaper de na wo hwe okay ansa na wato ama ba
inti me a first time mom I feel I'm out for
fresh baby mommy
about 3 months inti before say made choose to diaper man and I had a lot of things and I'm aging also me a medical personnel inti I had to keep that in mind. Me choose something that would be very good for me baby, So the first thing I was looking out for, it was the absorbency. It said, Johnson, Sebi, Ejanaini, Ajadena, and Kolani de Bano. I was looking out for that because the child needs to be very comfortable.
Okay.
Secondly, no, me should be a bit easy to use. Especially for young career women, you may not be always available. Maybe your mommy be near show and nanny be whatever it is. No, you should have something that will be able to me easily, able to me use. Okay, I was also looking out for some other things that are very important. The diaper rash thing that you were talking about, because in the consulting room, they will come with diaper rashes, superimposed infections, any kakra. It's in a me shed diaper, ewo material be allow it in from money to me for a clan in our region honum. Send a bear, a whole bear dry because a way drier, then there's a less chance I will be infections. And this product has a breathable material. If a material be breathable, it's a massa in from money to me for a achieve. Obviously, as a Ghanaian, I was also looking out for the price because you can know and easy to come by of late. Inti Oshe be very affordable, but then it's able to meet all your standards. And this products not tick all the boxes for me. Okay. Lastly, no air availability. Maybe we have a German so no. I say we need to often export dollar cost show price na but we the sister because you no Ghana here inti dollar ni nyama
problem.
It's always available. So these are some of the things that not me share in order to pick.
It's what you show for 3 months ni. And then I be catch will be always see.
Be catch will be say a product that I can boldly endorse. Say konako try na share.
Okay.
Ubenya all the comfort. Obani betimi the long stretches of hours without even having to change. Me experience see any diaper rash with my baby since we started using it, and me bottom so very affordable for me. So I think say all mothers, I will encourage all mothers say yen try also yen support Ghanaian made because ye perceive a good economy. Inti meka che obia say obia enko try na obinya adansi di papa also.
Said the Dr. Asaniwa edi adansi efa ye perfect baby diaper eho. Nti ene ojo odia ono obani sunsun bia oba enya ayi na period down ka wan ko to diaper bia mo oba no to je say wo ko to perfect perfect nso edin so butu su ni ye pa perfect
yes sir
yen hunu de e ma na eye sonko wo afoforo mu ambassador adwuma no de otiase o wa yes no abodi nya to fama ye ba yen we de e ma na dance e wo other diapers mu
okay wo share your diaper na you will be the ADL.
Oh, cry. Oh, mehu.
You will be the ADL. Lines be woman. Now, meaning of the ADL is say acquisition and distribution layer.
Okay.
It is a Obani Johnson. It's me firm.
Yes.
Engineer Fako.
Okay.
Emma embedded it's spread.
Okay.
Then spread firm. It is our lines too, no. A bit change color, a blue. It's a change color. Now, wow, madam, and your fin I don't say. Ever show us for. It's a line, the crab, and my will say, oh, I for into a semester.
Okay.
And my Indian ears room.
Mamma had not tested no crown, so oh my God, I am a word of me. Hey, nobody, I had to say, cotton power
about 20. Inti usha ye Ghana hakra we do so me
inti ayo
ma bebre na
oh my God
who you see a diaper ya or so no we are so soft that akola kra
perfect
yes
perfect fine next time fa box na bra
mema boss
fa box no bra na ye ya gide akoto so ofie na ati ase na ba ko pese as ambassador nkwa na e chere wo oh but fine fine ye kan say the ambassador kan yi we dey homemade nti me sure say ehun yen na me so kire ye pedodo de agu ye shops mu ye pe bie tutunum ne ade se be ya ka ni sei no obi an so ebenya bie
ye wo distributors and wholesalers se amene o ka say ya spread it ya kwa akosi Kumasi
okay
yegusu ko osumi me enu pa ye bae no adansidie any we ayenya wo munti no ama nkrofo recommended uba Accra ha Madina Joma Hans Enterprise or a distributor for Madina osa kodome ye wo Winaldo e wo dome
okay
ye wo Ropa Ventures ye wante na nso wo dome
ante na be pie dome ha
me pa try ye wo menu bia wo Spinters Kumasi ye wo other distributors ye wo Swedro ye wo Takwa
okay
uko we supermarkets bebre ubenya bi
ya mo fa bi nko
yankasa ye factory yankasa nso e wo off Aflao Road after Central University
okay
about 1,000 meters you get to the factory on your right
okay
inti no
my numbers no kra na eja wo mo epedodo atu no wo hwe screen ase e wo ho inti wo pedodo wo frɛ ana de yake yachi ne bia wo pe locations na obenyinya bie na no so afrɛ numbers inti safa me mai bio
number na obetimi ariche number ne san wo WhatsApp
okay
0531 099 889
okay
and I said landline obenya 0531 099 889
nti se wontimi ntwura wo ye no audio am se mo beje so
yeah beti yes our WhatsApp Facebook ubenya perfecthygienics.com
okay
ubenya your website www.perfecthygienics.com
okay
and also your landline and also 0303 957 965
okay
ubenya your sa number yi nyina so
sir ambassador ya view o bibi obeka na last
si dia meka ni se enmaka nya deda me twa ne me bone tofa se obia and support new brand dia abasui na enye just country no na wo boa to build but you're also going to experience a good comfort for your child and one kasa obedi products ne ho dance
mo oya doctor obeka bibi last one okay menaso
yes wo akwenya nso ma omo import diapers no
okay
sisi ehun ya so be import
okay
ubetimi do label aba
okay
your factory is available because our machine na yen use no it me produces 600 pieces per minute
wow
600 pieces per minute good
wow
inti so problems of importing customs duty niama bebre e pese e so ma omo importing nso into do label ne ba
okay
ye betimi a produce ama organa ha na wa kwa package with your label ti ye wa kwenya ma sankrofo ne nso
na mi sure mo ni nso ye adwuma yes ana local no so doso ye fa wo mo ye fa mo si ha no pay ye da se papa anti Dr. Mrs. Asanewa Ajeman Bedu oye brand ambassador ma perfect baby diapers and Mary Aboa Anaba a PRHR edema perfect hygienics company ne no mudi nkomwe enti ye wie nemom ene busumi won say ye de yeguso ye celebrate ye birthday for no a enti ene so akwanya no aba ye birthday celebrant ene de omo temu hey enti happy birthday nko Emma Felicia Soa happy birthday Felicia Soa nyame nshira nyame nyo kese kusi se obeye kese pa Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa fie ene ho nshira wo pe phone a yenko Franco Trading Enterprise na kwaje odie phones ne ho aka de bia Franco e wo bi your Nokia Samsung iPhones your smart TVs wo ho tabletop fridges Franco air conditions nyina ye wo bi CCTV cameras mesro nya bi fabo office fabo fie bebia na bia ohunu ne ekoso e wo wachi na Franco nso ne number na mede tu dwen empeke wo Google ba bia tesa obi di suma kwa abedan kwaye The Franco Trading Enterprise. Your bonnet run is a phones, Papa Fido. The number is 0246 422323. 0246 422338. 0246 422338. And 0555 939311. 0555 939311. Now, when the Franco Trading Enterprise said in South, Mamin Koti and you win sombra, DJ Preslati, a Jomudia, and you be a beauty with the mammy and come run your bar, Everton. Fire drain so, Mr. While when it is a week, we am come a ye de halitosis. So, when Munka. And then see a Yakonia say, Yene dental for any common so fair no moon. It's yene active point dental, Babe Casawura bright or self from pong. Ewaha, Yababi dim como afa dental braces. My near the BB to almost a sono. Eden ye devet to swear for life, and I don't go up a so to me about waiting and fabbing to so doing every mum. Papa no payment more cover. And Pacho be a boko, dear.
Christa Dumboko.
Denyamia say active point dental, Ubia Hoye.
Ubia Hoye.
Denyamia say, ye can dental braces, no air dear here.
Uncle Swachia on Adom TV.
Yana, unin modu, by a mamuka, Cassia Kaka.
You can't dental braces. Braces, no ye. Na debia, and him before transfer, a share a senior NCC na kwemu.
Okay.
Na yadi gusu said ya beya, ya beshi transeno, abesisi babia, ese.
Okay.
Unse a sen, ya babia in sizes, ese. Ya babia K9, ese. Ya babia premolars, no, ese.
Yeah, more terms, no. I'm saying next time, be no na de ho akadia ba. O can hear who primosis ne. Jacob Munina.
The baby ese bia esi. Ne mum ni e binti etimi ma saa nsisiye no ese. Ebi ye wo akoda nkoda bremu nyoma ye no. Even pacifier ye de sha akoda nu mu. Akoda onum nsa eche. Akoda otimi nu nufu cha na ma ne se no. Unse sene shia afi na try se betutu ntem.
Okay.
Se esen etutu ntem ebro mra ese ya hyense ntutu a efifi a ni sisiye no esei. Afi nso ebikura nso ye de esai emanze ewabusuan num. Obu a abusuan bi wa na esen se de sisisi no enko yie sa akwara timi epike eno from there na odi anyi ndi asa ya wie no ene ye de na ye beye.
Okay.
Ni ye beye mu ba ko ne se ya di bibi ebegu sen so a friend braces.
Okay.
Na ya twetwe sen no aba ebi okwa na bi wo asen ebi ya friend bibi ectopic eruption. Ectopic eruption. Ectopic ne ba bi esa de bi da na ho tini e woni sen ectopic e wo ho no nti se eno so te sa eno ne friend of ase no.
Fifi.
Obi wo ha na nanum no aye prekesen. Obi won so a oka ne sekura sisu a ensisu yi. Efre bibi overbite, efre bibi underbite. Make us say omo obi na onim. Obi oka ne sen esisu oni ne di nkomo.
Enye pepepe.
Enye pepepe.
Okay.
Wasra wie na oka na no atu benza sen bi ete honom. Eno na ye di braces no eguso. Na efre no dental braces a.
Okay.
Ye ma saafo no.
One betimi ahye obi a condition no e fa nkura mu ni ade no ho ne betimi ahye
obi a osi ayesa bia se wadi 80 years se wadi 90 years se ya wo ba no na e free 12 13 years e ko no se okọ o dentist ho na oye bi ma
o say e free 12
the entire year ne sa ne se unse your milk teeth ho kwara ne chance se fifi a no ye mfa braces no emuso ye hwese sa milk teeth no afri ho ama permanent ones no aba ansa na ye correction no e de ama no na emu se oba no benefo se amfo na kire ne nto aso unse obi ho milk teeth no kura ne nsisiye no wa hu sign se enkoyi eno no betimi akontem akoje advice from dentist.
Okay.
And now hona active point ye bemu no. Go ana uni ayi bia wo bi zo betimi aba. Na active point ye de ne fe no fast braces. Difference kakra e wo the traditional braces no any fast braces no. Enye de wo wani ehu no. Uhu no say go bi sin so de a wo wani ntimi nka se we have fast braces and the traditional ones.
Okay.
No. Difference woman say with the fast braces within 6 months. No. Now when your results are, uko yi braces na free oseso.
And when na yem penifo no from 12 no.
From 12 kwa kopem wo a opese wo ye bibia ekwan no da ho ma. Na ya na etufu se nka ye ma no ye nya ne ntem uze akora isu a ne gingiva no anase ne gum no emre enti se o hyese enhihye yi a etie wu ntem esene wanyi awie no
wo se ka akora no as in 12 years ho na wo
12 years ko no and say wo hwe yin say oba e wo sa ha oni bia obetimi afa number na egu screen so no
0554 571 779 0554 571 779 ewie anu afre no
obetimi afre na ya kire wo oba ntem a ebetimi ahihye no ntem e de amakwara na akwara bi wo ho a se de ne sinicity enti ema na gudie wo school no kura no etwape evize ni ntwitwiriye no uze sese no nhihye yi a brush no kwa num ho a ntimi nyi fi a ewo wanum no empie enti so obi si fm so bebra likely say ya na wo anum kakakra I friend halitosis no evize brush no ntimi nko all out entimi yi fi no empie emma wanum no enna ho da bia bo se say no cavity edida say no e sign say ni oral education ni oral practices no e wo fempa
na ya na
enya yakura
braces she na enya ya
braces one of the procedures enya yakura
enya
ya
okay
they say kura extraction ye tu sin no entese kan etete a ebi hu bi ehye emu a yese ukotu a na atobrabo no da bi enne no ntisa ndi se ukotu sin a mesre ema yam hyehyew ko dentist ye wonura de be ma wo a okura be wuza se afi na betu a na watu awi
uhu ani
na mu the place ema eho no ya obia eni ho uyi braces ni firo active point ye num hu ade bia se osin atu na wo besie se keka na wo pese wo behwese asaye kura na ibitimi etu amawa se wo halitosis na wo ba me examination ahwe ba bia halitosis no efriba se wo teeth discoloration osena discolor opese wo teeth whitening nya opese wo ye wanum bia cleaning no de mesro ye kase ya no so unya bi da mes obi akọ pension ko nim kura se cleaning eno betimi afre number no ato afa ho cleaning no anya se sin betu se halitosis beba
my location wo kan say no my locations
ye wo jowlu heya Presby Junction e wa Accra ha ye sa wo kaso anso Crispo Junction e wo Kumase Denyame ani ye wo Sunyan so o building num ani ye wo Sefidwunase ani ye wo Oboase takwa nso enche ye ba ho nti baabi a wo bia ne ya make sure say ya ben opena no nti free number no na nchiremu bia ya ntimi amo na han san ye mmerenti no ye nchirechiremu na bra na ye hwew
ya minhiramo papa nti say ya the braces eguso for how long for life ana
braces ye the guso with the first braces no after 6 months no na wanya results
ne fast the ne price enko
there be active point no the ma ye dance no say ye ma payment plans wo ho say o find about the prices of braces active point ye de e wo fempa ye pese ye ba fema to the extent say obia betimi ayebi e na afi nso say wo ho obi wa ye ne fe ne se na hyehye yi but ohun say go bi de so a onti jai kura eno nso betimi aba ye betimi de bi agusu a ye command the teeth to arrange
yeah for life
nipa bebre ebeye bi enti won so say you fa obetimi
na no omude gusu a omutwetwe omse omuyito na owi asade egusu na otwetwe osefra
utimi twetwe ose utimi didi aduane bi a wo pe eno anse bi an fa nkoka do obi wa dompe no ana so okoyi ase na ode ne se akoye
bottle no obi
so eno na ye tu fo say ya wo she braces ni bi so be na active point so ba bi akoye ni bi a mesre se o se no wadidiem ya na wate se de usi bite no yes I wan hwe a time a uhia senka correction be take place no da bia ne bi akoyi na je se wo koma dentist no esa adjustment foforo edema aside that na duane bia wo pe no obetimi ade se fufuo banku enam apa bia obetimi ade awe wo sore nso obetimi atwitwire wo se na ehihia se enu yenyi ye ovenia wo ho a eno yetimi yema okufia time a wo pe na wo de hye eno no da foforo ebeka no so ho asem
enti we no na say ye decorate bibi no ebi wo for how long 6 months 1 year 2 years 3 years
with the first braces in there what chakura wheel free ebi a 6-7 months ekono na utumi say aye kama wo ko she retainer
okay wo ko she dey
wo she no wo say gum no the gingiva no na achiachia ene ya di braces no atene ndi say we braces no e wani mu no free ho a free bibi retainer e say yes ye adjust e sen no kakra mani check kakra no ye no outside o sen ye fan to animu say de be ya ensa ensay yes a we free so kra na ujaya it means return it back to the na etie no and you know the technical aspect in it and you know the ehia
ya da say urafimpo ya da say nti number no 0554571779 0554571779 for one sisi ya wonko hwe o send fruit ewie ye de na chi ne ngo yesi ko wo show sen no me de mpese white so onwe ya na obi ehwe ti ye beba ho active point dental omo ewo jolo nkran ha ena miamia ofa number no ofre omo mbebo ya de si ha mididi afia amankwa tamaklomambo atma ya krado de ahosepe to aso owie pe asemidika kwasinsian so beba dedase
Badwam ahosepe jumezi dona ahade is entertainment kunje ina ye o ahade is no the fancy door president for the brothers and sisters association me ko some richogu in the world of entertainment patu papa na za ya tete do ya za wono ma wo kidney ho yereba no one dialysis no baby e bona nam no ye hu papa we be someday entertainment be offer ho offer ye hu o Sunday entertainment for no na say ye ta ye hu won pa de wenye ndam yereba ni bi ema wo ko dialysis or the hospital do hwan de twetwo pictures bi na aze now the latest on this one menche obi e wenye bi mpocho zotin de za yate on kidney dialysis wo ko hospital ko twe won moje ni fi won wo ko hu won moje mu no za yate no ya za watutum mpono first no na woje 380 CCR no ebo no ekodu 491 na chede watumu 110 into no Storm Boy pocho wofa tweet na mam Storm Boy obebo tro wo na Twitter handle do ya za orpa bane cho papa no nye health ministry of health government Ghana ono da honom no support won chopa won hwemi ye informal increment na watutum no oha wa adwen papa na say ebotum na ya find way say ebotum ya subsidize the cost na nko no hu de oboboa papa because ye hwe ze okodo oye ne da na ne de chi won mo kodu hospital won mo kwen na watutum na wo so du paka ka ye no ye ze na ye bo wo ye pon ne chaw abani ye hu bibi mayen ne da ye hu no de oyaza we release funds 2 million but ye da hwa ye pa chaw when you be in family and I mean posing come suggest then can one boy go find me nanka ye first can tutum they for support one ma we nya da me yerba wo go under dialysis ni nyinara na ye free honum say na ye nko he na chiri kakra be ka enwum no papa no wunim no papa no oh na me anwumi urgent na he pa wo Ghana ha dey very ma Sydney na obo da me nwum no na enwum no onye nsunsunsu bebre oye president and ex-president or Dangari pre-president is the John Dramani Mahama ho na zotin there Brema City watchem pa de nyum no onye John Dramani Mahama na obo man na mmom opa ne cho papa de otum obo nyum a nyum no susondo anko ye yan fama me yente is okay che Rosalie Feli.
I had two ladies converse, I mean social media, they were talking, papa no, so papa no, between the two ladies I was talking about, I mean, those, we all know them, those two celebrities here, Gloria Kani and the other, what's her name? Tracy, yes. So me, all I heard of papa no, I was like, papa no, this is very interesting, let me just work on something. So I just went to the studio, then just one night, from 12 to 7 a.m., we just released it. Okay. By 9 o'clock, it was all over. So I did not have anybody in mind. But then some people gathered some rushes of the former president and put it behind the music, and they were using it to promote their own stuff. So I don't know, the people thought it was me. I had no idea.
So did you have any regrets?
Oh, I'll take this opportunity to apologize to the former president. I mean, His Excellency John Maham. I didn't know. I wasn't the one who did the, how do we call it? Those videos, right. Those rushes circulating. I wasn't the one. I wasn't. But the song was not. Papa no goes to everybody.
Into no, very much sitting again. Or Chirma or 2 MPP cry. You know, how much harms are the on your settings are. But whatever the case is, or Chirma or say, or Pacho, to JDM, you was my aya, EJ Moka, Papa J. Monka, so you know, ye. 1 4 picture and 2 baby, man for binum, and I will hear the Mazano. Now, Prince Ronaldo in there, yeah, wow, that happy birthday to you, one could fruit or Genomus and wow, Chirma, yeah, more happy birthday, Sonko, Uncle Mont, you know, Abafra, Nina, Bay opinion party. I mean, sure, do not on your case. Now, Mammy through where. Now, young Quasher, rap battle, I'll call on social media, Dremel. Obede, poor Obede, the landlord himself. Now, why an young brag? Na Nigerian see what one to one say. Now what about challenging? Say can you buy Mopa, can David, can you need to pay you Goliath? Now so Nayashi. Ayashi. Mark Angel, actor comedian over Nigeria. Now I don't watch him there. Ghana or Isaiah Cape, weapon of mass destruction. Now say yes, a weapon of mass destruction. A weapon of mass destruction. It is Sarkodie, weapon of mass destruction. Say Ghana obanda yeko war CCR or ye Sarkodie. No be imagine him na ye tum na ye shoot one. Obeda no rap and lines no that. So no I always feed it to here no. Come on board. Yeah ready for you everyone where. Na ye ka Sarkodie ho asem na Mr. Mobo Amenzie. There, Sakwadie, no, on Castro, one music video, Adonai, and you know, na, you found the 9 years ni, you share views or YouTuber, or your 97 million. Na, and you know, American or no, elite CCRE. Na, and you know, 9 years in a one, 97 million views. I mean, you can say, na, or the most watched Ghanaian music video. But CCRE no be a break record, no. Na zoting there and you listen kind of say no sugarcane remix no kamido no nyom sugarcane remix no ebochum and you know is 1 year actually 97 million views. Hey osimo no wunsamba no wahen osimo wunsamba no wahen because this is big kamido congratulations cafe on common as I busy 9 years here as a 1 year aye until no yada wasi bebre osmo to when you are ma yambo bra o wahade na ye free way ye free ho watch ma mun kan chaka mido de o release you me hu kamido pocho wunkrenye aye watch ma for to guy was a elechal for kreka ho na mobadem ya do 97 million easy in 2 years ebe wala ka ya calculation ya calculation no na ya say ho ya fa baby na why billions for quick ho na ya batani ababo share exam you know encouragement enough ma me free honom na eno da me hu no tweet ma me yem shim kakra say na say artists was sign a record label you hu no fe oh no work na wonanto no record label no ekwochie ho na was sign papers na we twa video ama ya hwe bi na say na sa wor no gudam na wo ma ye hwe bi ehu wo ma ye hwe bi ye wo there we afa ha na we afa ha me you look say I am there when they say we free rough town I don't know if rough town records because I don't know me who no tweety in this tweet you know when they share Chirma or new video but the video no on kada rough town records for one channel biom into no nankasa what on the channel na channel no other about to hono when the share also biara nko follow no ho YouTube no one share new videos bibi about drop biara no I had no ozo now the question obiara be saying there since when share on you since when until no you know jama catch here was okay new gen in the crown to mu there jama sister watching who you know now our new song the enyom no mame or banger hey when they say enyum ne banga na enyum ne title say who cares say enyum ne kaka na video na enyum no so omnya more than 97 million in 1 year na you break record na you set for Ghana for me ho na one support business no na me free ho me hu a funny video on social media me so ya wara ana me semaba na menye wa ba che video no nti no say video no aye radio say Dr. Likey in the checheku ho video no why radio ho mahwefu sunhwe awala Dr. Likey in awala checheku wona bia ngina no binim wasada ya ton one because where problems pa is in my hand e wo Ghana ha dey nti no meza hu sepe no be the best ha dey I will be around there why would there be a happy birthday to use why would that or constant kodo nyami sure no nyo kesate na nyina nyinye me the best ha is in your Fantador president for the Brothers and Sisters Association be also massen mamzi bro bia nyami sure one big ups to you also etna do na anyime you Marco nyami adom
Kwaba Emfa Emra Badwam Jumari so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119. Yes, to me live and so Facebook. Okwa check a new page Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra. And a new page, yeah, like a page, you know. Na uhunu streaming and so share more be soon be intimate and share. Na ja comment and so e was e begina kan kan dia ma brepem sans na on YouTube so e Adom TV and also subscribe and so ja comment and so was and so share sa na manfo so enye and if share the page e mo bia intimi enhwe bia na very good morning to obi awaje bre na utimi ehwe happy birthday confirm Dr. Sowa of New Century Technical Institute account office. And your birthday, Douglas, I wish you happy birthday. Nyankopon won shira na onyo kese kopemsen. Obeye kese pa. Then also happy birthday and confirm Martha Amwa. Happy birthday. Enko emfa emawe efri. Wanka swaram fu nya ba bibia Marisak ehonam. Also we show all the best. Happy birthday. Enko emfa. Then the last one too. Happy birthday Enko emfa Shandov Kusi Eje Yabua. We free Omame Patricia Anna na papa Kusi Apia Solomon National Coordinator PWD NPP. Also wish you all the best. Enti bro. San happy birthday Enko. If we be on your birthday bia so Nyankopon shira on day na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese para pa be di enkomo. Me say what? E bi so ada wontie. Kidney ehun komo ne ba be di because ne ba betuma no pay say Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Ghana's premier health facility. Say a boy ya omoje and if she wanna enya semi kidney mu hauno. Watum from 380 Ghana cedis to 491 Ghana cedis. I raise issues bebre. Nipa bebre suwa na mu suwa nesa. Ebim chemse se lichia no ebeye den papa ede amomo. National Health Insurance Authority in Penifo so about Montini abetu just say abai apene so say yenyi sika 2 million Ghana cedis. And found so one na enya kidney mu hawa utim se sika bi no ebi ni ho ye found so sa ankrofo no asne it is the national insurance there enye obia the needy yo monya kidney yare no ene research ka no eso mo asne obeka sometimes at the last year and early part of this year and the then Minister of Information, Kojo Ponkroma, actually, Kwano say, Cabinet A2 and a mobi said a year, national insurance bit me out over the cost of kidney disease. One, Ayarisano. And one subscription may be an aquacosi. It's ne, ye one na sound come away, a form we pa. So ye wo Renal Patients Association. Omo pani pa e wo fidwe mu sanso ene benya pani ba ko so ba edu ye medicine ye so wo Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology also abi mu ye pa e benyo ono so e wo Zoom ne na di komo na afi akọ National Health Insurance Authority mpenfo nchen no mo so wetimi break it down ne ma e de amaye eti ne ba be di kidney e ho enkomo how betimi aboa aso wona nya saa oha no e betimi aso mo asne as oman seven no ka say dem obani bafo ahinkra on president edema Renal Patients Association of Ghana. Yene ba betwe enkomo ene anopamedi de akwasinsi da so agyebre na wakan ho na airtwe enkomo ekwa enimi aso bia homana tum na so etimi ajoin discussion no na ayede ene nye usual MPPNDC. We talking about the reality on the ground. President Wakode
Ready Adam.
Yade yamias iso hu ye.
Oh, getting kwem.
Yade yamias. For how long now battle with this issue?
Close to 10 years now.
Hey.
Yeah.
10 good years.
Close to. Car craving with 10 years.
Ebane say.
A long story. Na me hypertensive, but na minim.
Okay.
Na minim. And I ja abemu a we use school when you adwuma we ye call near ba I mean do weekend boys are cutting us be life goes on. But along the line, I think later part of 2014 more, I realized some maybe because I my bread. But my dream koso because na me nim who nim the bia. Okay. I feel na me tea me ya but na I'm say boys ya ni akono nom kakra nti me feel me nya hangover. Ma kono magum. Na cha wakota nkoto your friend is saying painkiller uti o ya na painkiller dey meet me awe na no pa wi anwumre. Say me wi na ni ni ana me nim hum ni die bia say me ya highly hypertensive and meaning back and forth me I'm in hospital I hear me fa kwa me third row no na me te ho it 2015 mo ho no na me so tia na eti okay na me wait be ese wo pepepe but na fe dem so tia na to bi hu am aladen onko hospital wo nyeso ni ni akra na me mpemu a nti dakro ko adwuma ba ya nwumre mada be 11:32 na mintime home insisi sokora me bre na home ye namba nti gidi sata na me wo akrapem soro nti gidi na mom de me call hospital nti e call your mom manage me kakra nti doctor ade echi na doctor ba na say that bi call your lab nti lab na me call your no me de ba na doctor so on trust lab no nti me ba Lancet okay me be your Lancet no on confirm me maybe nti be your Lancet so maybe almost them say me be after 6-7 I'm friend me say the man me ko me doctor na me so me train report no me say me report na already be pa mo fan send me na me ko doctor na me situation here be serious kakra no na after them I be disturb nti ade chi am ko je am de ko doctor hwe no so be kidneys no be bi adru no aje me ko da dialysis so I'm say oh they ask me okay but dini akraman say am pay bua okay nti me wo man afi de me try help see kakra me kwa ma ko jiwi ma ko nti afi de I think be do be na afi de enya quarantine me move me relocate to Accra from mountains nti one morning be me sorry na because obi kuta makoma ma o tie free ho nti me nya hwe nti ya rush me to Kolibu polyclinic back but the charge me is na me seniors be any school no medical doctors okay they were able to call one or two no mo dem recover into mo so when say me kidneys no baby adunu de agene ho they quickly mo year de on be year na ye de me koto afidi so but say the people can say lack of the knowledge people perish and that mean say dialysis no say na net here because time mo catch them say na mean say BBC kra nka me amitu anamon ko Kolibu o shase ya my ye de me akọ ward makoda nti madam for doctor na ba na me say na da ba na me ko na so dialysis na wo ye no na me so ade na ani me de me say nke de me ko church say studio ha de atumi mu
na ngwa na
she na kwa me shemu na nka mpidie bi kurukura mu ni ade na
but so kakra for beti ba for ankra president de ma Renal Patients Association and a trip when Zoom na mene Dr. Elliot Tano Tenkran Kwante Fachemi Ekotwe Enkomo. Woye senior lecturer, Department of Medicine, KNUST. Na yɛhwɛ this kidney issue ansa na ba TSC cost no ankasa emu. Dr. Pacho betimi a mutini atwe enkomoboko de.
Boko ba to me kale.
Mesi betonka pa betonka. Doctor, na de area be piemu a wasoye about kidney. Eho ahawo as a as if say ekọ animu e wo yememu. Twafoni che kidney issues wo Ghana ete se na yeka say.
Yo, me da se akwesi mechia wala mechia wa hwefo no wa tiefo so. And I'm Ghana Punila. Kidney one semono, Ukraine Yamie, it become very topical. Na Arabia or watch a kakra, and so Lansing, Sura Echo. Na a postro because of a couple of Nema, Sally and crack yellow pressure handsome. Yakako, in fact, Busumi a world hypertension, in fact, Kochila world hypertension lead. So the whole of Busumi, yes, you hold the hypertension man. May can't you here? One teacher was Mr. Wara, teacher was because any cannot do one. Or even who's a kid in Lahore, then or form the pressure, wholesome and then lamb. Into Pachu would see me now check your pressure, man, more Mr. Wara check it. Now, answer a question directly. So, yeah, I'm a kidney, Yareno air possible between, let's say, hypertension and also air possible. First, in fact, right, medical school, so hypertension is Kapoy area and that's Ubuni area and the Kikan come home. Now, so I know crew, I could see the CR no hypertension, we gonna for liver and line. I'm already 18 years and above. I mean, my mom who still is here. One out of 4 people have hypertension here in Ghana. In fact, in some studies, 1 out of 3. That is how common hypertension is. Now, when you have blood pressure, only 40 years and above, you feel say, and yes, they are where we see one shall be this here. Now, the point shall say, any 6 feet per any kidney area, and the pressure there, go. The next thing, any diabetes, and I see area. And diabetes, and so we live 100, the hour Ghana have, it move 7. Our diabetes, now diabetes also Suran and also here the airport. It is unlimited cost Suran, definitely was a kidney area and also Suran and the airport. In year non to saying, if I and the idea, if I know I am no longer be brave, I bet will only be and I be do one be true. Year long. Aphrodisiacs, air bar, for no, yet a manpower, less than Lemelina. San Lemelina, a hard game. And I'm chilling Ghana for pension, papa. So 10 BIA, chilling the brain, the pressure, and then it's will be pressure balance, so I saw on selling insurance. Family, I'm a candidate. I don't make a I'm a pressure mouse to antimacassette to insurance. I don't know young lane. In me, you see insurance. Tell a bear kidney area, but the brain now. You make me a tussle. Tell a bear a tussle, of course. Nowadays, they have a car gun and say, your conferences, I'm only a moving a kidney area when you're 70, 80, just 90, which is a brewan lapra. So Ghana and sister. The average age of kidney failure in Ghana is about 47 years, 48 years. Less than 50 economically active people are also here. Now, what you be a prince and not say Brino. Now, that machine. So, again, a car and wants some of course, the cabin brain and of course, quality of life. Arabia, you didn't come on the year for some for the show. Now, only yes, I are.
Hold on, yeah, no ye to na mo be a chese ye pese ye minimize the rate at which these kidney issues no e cost na wo hwa no mo to a ye ne ya omanfo ne aban ne nyina etu na ya na mo to no e chese ye bibi e de abre ano ase
kwesi me da say Ukraine me in so Korea start point ye and I'm happy say Mr. Nkrai wo studio or here we are waging my patients all of these years, and which we really admire. And some of us from the Ghana Kidney Association also, and again, other stakeholders, personally, the Ukrainian in fact, any opportunity to grant in home. So even the fact that mobile frame is so in home, it is a good start. And of course, I mean, the government is now not listening one way or the other as to whether it's enough. It's another thing I can't answer. But at least from what year to think a crack and a beer, 1 year. Now, so I say if you see a coin now all of a sudden, what is happy price and I consider Sana. Now, we say, I think 1 step forward, 2 steps back, and another thing. So, if you listen, near that, a door super. And it starts off with the fact that diabetes, insurance cover, hypertension, insurance cover, malaria, insurance cover. Yes, kidney disease there, only I mean, it is not right. The argument, the government, but at least it's good to start from somewhere. Now, and then I'm taxes are products, to be honest. The taxes he consumables as well. A better price number from say then a lot of people hopefully can afford. And then the cost and cost. So who be some so yes, maybe they are doing something. But as to whether now it is reflecting in the pockets of Ubia when you're killing area and that's a means to make sure more machines so no. When you have call when you not and them call when you now politicians when they so you voted 2 million, and so some of us will see it reflect in our patients. To be honest, I don't buy it. Okay. Let's wait to see. The other issue, let's say, the Ghana Kidney Association, and again, with some other partners, the documents be out are able to help prevent kidney disease and as a point of password.
Okay, so Doctor, you call the second part of Mubuk, no. Now, after the first issue now already, you know. Now, I said, to see, and I said, many one in Sibonia. A better say government ever reduce taxes on the consumables rather than say national insurance act to this 2 million Ghana cedis. Eddie Atum said, yeah, they saw treatment no asking.
Okay, so the American say, yeah, I'm a buona costo, which of course, yeah, will increase your prices from the 380 to the almost 500. No, is because in your money boy.
No. Oh, Doctor, line I freeze. Connected to Dr. BM na. So, baby, Doctor, the about dream. I want to see about national health insurance pumping 2 million Ghana cedis to support needy.
Kwasi no kwani nyame enimi ya na metaka sasem we say obie ni wa oda machine so a onye needy. Ma me fa me honye example madaso close to 10 years nse mo sika dan ma ensan ma be needy obi oda so bia needy. Yes, some people can afford. Yeah, one penny when has somebody they can afford. But majority of the people offer kolebu so ba kolebu. Now offer yeah.
Well, so I mean connected back to Dr. Kranti. Dr. Kranti, I come again.
Yeah, sorry, me you see me phone and say call never musala na I mana ibasaka.
It's not me say
I don't so for na I believe ho.
Eti after me share the Sika Yama National Health Insurance a tool to support needy patients, no. Between and only reducing taxes of consumables, the end of it or my pa.
I think both are helpful. I mean, I will not say one is more important than the other, but may come before and say cost no across because of the taxes, of course, and the fact that the new money boy. Now, if government votes an amount that we are giving 2 million, now considering the number of people on dialysis now, unfortunately, they are not even enough because most of them cannot afford. Now, if you vote that amount of let's say 2 million, is it going to take care of what? How many people for how long?
Okay.
So it is a definite amount in which probably what? Now, then what happens? But let's try and get something that is a bit more sustainable, in my opinion. So again, I'm a cost. Importing. Now importing, so if the government was even interested and was importing, then the cost never perform. Now if it is in the hands of the private, then what is going to happen is the cost never possible. Now private for but now slapping taxes on these consumables. Obviously, it is the poor dialysis patient who is going to pay for it, and that is where the problem lies. So as it stands now, who be some idea? It is both. You're saying then the cost will go down, and the two, if they take it outright and it's on the insurance scheme, then so be it. Then anybody who gets kidney disease will be able to cater for. Let's not go far. Yeah, in Africa, Uko Kenya, for instance, Uko Tanzania, we had a friend like kidney area, and of course you're on insurance on Kwandia. At least twice a week dialysis is fully taken care of. And it's right here. We won't say Kenya is more rich than we are, and now Tanzania is more rich than we are. We have a lot of resources. It's all a matter of how we prioritize these resources. So I believe, sir, we need to ensure that we try to prioritize kidney disease, and I think we can do more than just vote an amount. And that amount, is it for a month? Is it for a year? I don't even know. And again, you can't see a voting amount now, it's not reflecting in our patients and so on. Some of us, are a bit doubtful. So we want to see it, and we want to see it reflect. But then we think, say, cost and components, it's all because in the and the fact that there's a huge tax component. So we should look at both. I won't say one is better than the other. We need both for our patients.
Now, about this cost of taxes, I can say, importers of consumables because of dollar CD situation, price in the quarter cost.
Of course, I mean, and that is, of course, another macroeconomic discussion altogether in terms of the CDA, which definitely affects the dialysis. And again, that is why if you look at it now, then obviously, the prices of these consumables, and that is why some even dialysis centers are even shutting down. Okay. And then, they don't have the amount of needed resources to be able to sustain themselves. So, ensure that one, even the dollar rate issue, of course, I mean, is taken care of. I cannot probably deal with that now. Okay. But nonetheless, on air cost loan, then the government should be able to push in the poor patients. Now, where I want the government to look at it critically, sometimes when we are looking at cost of dialysis, it looks like it's basic. But mind you, like I mentioned, the people who are getting the kidney disease here in Ghana are not people in their pension ages, are young people who can work hard to be able to generate resources and pay taxes for the same government. It's I'm not sustaining them on dialysis. It's not like Bokabi. It's like you are now pushing back the money into the system. So we should begin to see the care of patients with kidney disease as an investment and not necessarily a cost of the government. And I think that is what we try to push for. We push them to be able to get good quality dialysis, then chances are that they can go back and work for you and pay taxes back into the system. And the cycle continues.
Okay. After young death rate of dialysis patient, and now more kidney patients in Ghana. At they say I was so proud to do an answer. You're not saying you're teaching the entire city. I any can't be the tum keke.
I was so papa. In fact, Mr. Hemkrau 2 Studio is one of the privileged, some of the privileged patients who are able to sustain themselves all of these years. And he will let you understand the cost component and NAPO. And there are a lot of the patients who cannot even get to that position, to be honest. It actually shows that over 80% of our patients who need the dialysis, they don't get it. They don't have money. In fact, we end up signing death certificates for them. Those one have been right there on the ward. And it makes kidney disease one of the major causes of death here in Ghana, basically, probably. Okay. And a Companochi data I collect here constantly top 5 causes of mortality on the medical ward, kidney disease. So, so what it means, let's say, as for the death rate, to be honest, who can't throw this on dialysis? Now in a week or two, when you have dialysis now, I don't know any big channel. Yes, idea. Oh, because what it means, let's say, you just cannot survive. So think about it. All of these over 80% of patients we see, and they cannot afford that. Even those who can afford lymphomas, how well are they doing the dialysis? Technically, I'll say dialysis maybe 3 times a week. Almost a year dialysis maybe once. Maybe don't do one twice. It's not as if it's twice and then I prescribe more. It's all because and none of that is a bit. We all cry. As and when I obey Jessica, or by a barco, 1 week, or by a barco, 2 weeks, or by a barco, or by a it's very, very sad. Very, very sad. And the rate at which it is wiping out our generation, we need to have a conversation to make sure that we keep our young people alive and, of course, our old people.
Okay, Mr. Menko, my main court National Health Insurance Authority namene also the country and common affianti the 2 million Ghana cedis na ekano. I see a year pa. Is it the 2 million Ghana cedis every month, every year? And now a quarterly payment and a year by year. Now the bear cry na National Health Insurance Authority absorb the cost of dialysis. Also what they want to pay about Badwam so on Adom TV. Wait me on me too, sir.
What do you mean?
Meto kabako there.
Adom.
Yeah, I'm here. Also, me and Chelsea, the 2 million Ghana cedis, they say National Health Insurance Authority, to support needy kidney patients, you know, a year, a brand na eba, a monthly, quarterly, yearly. Now you can't needy patients now, almost so a year, why more, and they support to me.
Yo, me and that's be brave for a coin so. Now, this year it's here for. Any change, no send it here, no. Every year, you free BB allocation formula. Management, it's not say, who say this year, no. Then anything na any child discount, the debit afa. And this year, Ekfa and Komoya Ecoso started some months ago about dialysis situation, no. Government through parliament approved 2 million Ghana cedis in the allocation formula for 2024. And the social allocation formula, I say it is to support needy patients. Now, Meti and Common within Bibre, and most of the patients, because they are needy, because it's a heavy investment on them to pay almost 491, in fact, 380, 491 per session. It's a lot of money. And I can understand so be because of you needy. And then so 2 million Ghana cedis now governments they are you know. It's a so you determine an equitable way to distribute that money.
Okay.
Miankai say allocation formula was only approved about 2 months ago. And the stakeholders share my understanding say even stakeholders including patients no were on the table, including all the CEOs of the teaching hospitals, to discuss 2 million and how it can be dispersed. And since she share home no I believe say NCBA may see you interviews say in the month of June, 2 million will be disbursed to the needy. Needy, say almost everybody. And my understanding is also almost about 1,000 or a little over 1,000 patients across the country. About 80% patients in Kolebu. And there are patients for Konfanochi, and I'm say Cape Coast. Meaning, you're not sure about Tamale, but the rest of the teaching hospitals now treating cancer, dialysis, ammonia patients,
Okay.
And this is what is happening for now. But at the same time, the NHI board is also discussing the cost burden. If we are to take on board dialysis, senior Dr. Nakan say other countries they fund full care of dialysis. And but we have to start from somewhere. NHI is not say funding and also on some be brave. Intinya bibia na yibitumi afa on board to shoulder from day one. Yeah, say mental health for say NHI should cover. HIV wants to come under NHI, prostate cancer under NHI. Everybody wants it to come under NHI, but NHI's income or revenue is fixed as it were right now. Conversation at Air Caution say, can NHI take on board the full cost of dialysis into the future?
Okay.
There's a lot of actuarial modeling that is going on to understand the cost burden. Now into the future, hopefully, the mayor Adom Krana say reports neba na sika aban between a shoulder through the NHI. There's opportunity for media review to take this information back to Parliament and say, home studies be here, for instance, 200 million, 300 million, 400 million, into maybe 2 million isha. It's uncommon in and common air cost. But for now, our main focus is to disburse that 2 million to patients.
Okay, but I think say committee now authority no more setting up to look at disbursement of these 2 million Ghana cedis. They added some recommendation to our report from the buy. So one, can you share some of the recommendation with us? Specifically, how me ache amano ere afana yede koti obi eka so adase yede clear eka also nipa ne ebo for ne dialysis.
Yo, mpacho me say me hu board reports na I trust him, but what I know is patients or more Kolibuno. Say there's a philanthropist, Utia, I think 380. 380 in almost all the patients are more Kolibuno. And he said a bono call 491. I think the formula NHI are using is in the meantime, no, you better top it up. So difference, no, I'm a patient now, more Kolibuno.
Okay.
Now, I'm more working for not in other places, no, you're taking care of the full cost of 2 sessions for them, not the 12 sessions and now 6, 8 now, Dr. Nekai, no, but for now, no, we can only cover 2 sessions.
Okay, so maybe about 2 sessions, no, outside Kolebu.
More Kolebu, no.
Okay.
Obi Chia, a good Samaritan, Chia 380. It's about 491. NHI BTS are difference, no.
Okay.
To save the cost, no, for them.
Okay.
Now other places now Ubia and Chia share mom, no. NHI BTS 2 sessions.
Okay. So now mobile top up na mean say Obia or Kolebu Bia no. With addition to the philanthropist, the human now you're into no. Afi dialysis cost will Kolebu every year virtually free.
That's my understanding.
That for 2 sessions.
Minim 380, no, minim how many sessions are philanthropists no OTR for.
Okay.
But the can say whatever he's paying for, however many sessions are I'm taking care of, no.
Okay.
BTS are top up difference now. Mamusina Bea, the Amunya say no, they can still continue to seek care.
Okay. So now with the 2 million Ghana cedis, until say National Health Insurance Authority with Parliament and Cabinet as usual, Ebegia to say NHI absorbed the cost of dialysis. How often is that and what we is it going to be yearly? And a beba at the amount of one and someone share them say a beer every quarter beer no sabe can be kakra at the so or more ekanano.
Senator 2 million has been approved for 2024.
Okay.
And with the formula, I'm set up to say, my understanding that it should be able to cover, say, or May, and it's a starting program, we cry and say June.
Yeah.
I mean, from June to December, there, SARS should be able to cover.
Okay.
But if in between June to December, Parliament to me increases our funding now, certainly in one of the bond because but for now, I think it will cover to the end of the year. I think we are doing what's a sustainable plan for this. Okay. I believe that this is a start, even though it is not, it won't cover the full cost of healthcare. No, it's a start. It reducing cost burdens on patients for now.
Okay. Mati Oswald Naso Emma Memra Studio Namene Bafo. This is what the discussion is now. Yemushe so the Kolebu. So now Nipana or Somas ne Kolebu no. How many sessions and Uchia for the 380 Ghana cedis?
Yeah, question me that say Mamindi can correct it.
Okay, yeah.
Board no.
Yeah.
You share 2 million. Na me count.
Okay.
Na me tibi.
National Insurance Board na.
You set it up no.
Okay.
Na me count. I was representing the patient. It was part of the decision I'm taking.
Okay.
Now let's come to Kolebu. The question that you asked. Yes, Kolebu there has been a philanthropist way back about 2015. First Sky Group. So what you
yeah.
They came in near Saturday. You know to say. So we saw you more no cry for I think almost 7 years.
Okay.
Not so you move until ukwa say no utia 2 sessions my.
Okay.
Until ya na ye tre no kwa ba kutia ba ko. Na mama ni 2 sessions ma nipa na wo Kolebu.
Obia no
wo because as at 2015 I think now we were about 100 and something.
Okay.
Until no tia. Ya nani edidi ma bepem afi mu ani Kolebu short consumables.
Yeah.
The Kolebu short consumables na ya 2 mu na ya kwaya ya buy ya price the cost 760 na ya patch wa ya 380 back no. The free start time na that was last year October na ya koye. Every patient be wo Kolebu bi akwa otua full cost
as we speak.
As I speak. From last year October Kolebu reopen na ya koye.
Yeah.
Ya koye no. Session bi aboku bi na utua full payment.
One out your wadi.
That is a 380.
Okay.
Until now, as I sit here, Kolebu na bit me akire mu say, papa no, utua still anaso utua. Na say ade so apɛ ne yetete no, just say utua dia na ne Kolebu aye abromo dia. October become summary. Minim said they mention what you are seeing.
Matu was okay. So from say a 2 million be in October, Emma must have call for admissions no. First Kai Munte se ochia anaso ntua.
Yet so ochia. Bakolibu me yet say a cabinet yi bi wo ha. Eno no mo hwa asettle.
Okay, so before so me close no na e ka wo akire.
That is what yet say na e ka bi wo akire.
E na e ka ba akire.
COVID ni bebe mu ntina yesi ni payment ni mba regular but minim se papa na ma yet say omo nhwe yen.
Okay.
Obetua.
Oh, okay.
Ntina kwa say omo hwe yen aka bedawa.
So there's a backlog.
There's a backlog.
Yeah, no more dealing with. So from October till March, yeah, I said, Obi be your kokole, be no wonya that 380 cities. No. One of you
I'm saying it on authority. No. Okwa utu ya wadi.
Now what me are getting because who was a president? They say offer first Kai obefa. What me are getting in touch? Every summer say omo payment no eba.
Because Papa, it's easy to get him like that. We've tried a couple of times. We've not gotten him.
What about the office?
We've tried. Office or yeah, try Richie.
What trying is saying?
Oh, yeah, try Richie contacts. Say, if I say, be Papa no.
Okay.
Me to say, maybe can only country for some time. Or buy you, so no. We try to book appointment when you're available. When you're available. But my understanding is that only could be work dealings.
Okay.
Into as to whatever it is, we are not part. We are just the beneficiaries of those things.
Okay.
We are not part of it. Never can say, I be a first kind of be clear NMI. And just as a we should come and clear the NMI because per our understanding, your core committee meeting, you can just make almost somewhere aware say philanthropist beat because they say as a conference.
Yeah.
Cape Coast. More 419 for 2 sessions.
491
for 2 sessions.
Okay.
Yang Kolibu. Mama 111 for 2 sessions. 111 for 2 sessions. Omuni say obitua 380 ni.
Because also a crab also.
That is what I'm saying. Nta me church me because make a committee ni na eko.
Yeah.
Ntino omuni so obitua 380 ni mai.
Okay.
Nto mo ba be so 111 man do 419 no. Pay.
It is a more calculation na mo your committee no. Mo factor in Sky Group for contribution.
That is what Kolibu told them said as a philanthropist.
Even at the committee.
That is the meeting now. Omo decided say for Kolibu they will only pay 111.
So why are them paying 380 still at Kolibu?
Since it's a new price in the Saba.
Yes. But I'm just saying from October to now, say new price now take effect.
It take effect.
Okay.
Take effect.
So from October to time where new price will take effect no. At the internet say Kolibu, you are paying for a part of the board. Enim said there's a philanthropist or chia 380. But penny working from October to time when new price may take effect. 381 and which are so on what basis now Kolebu committee so maybe two must say there's a philanthropist be one my war supporting the government supporting Kolebu for you one session.
Me na because me ohono me nya dwuma Kolebu me nka Kolebu board no but per my understanding no ye tena ase na to ye nhyehyeye no konfa no chi do mo yi ba se omu ni obi oso masene.
Okay.
Cape Coast omu ni obi oso masene.
Yeah.
Kolebu ya tese your chairman na yata Kolibu yate say
okay
more philanthropist also mu intinu for equity sake intinu say obi so mu kakra dia ene mama ye ntua top up no na wo ma obi anso mu no omo de interested bit take full recovery of the 2 sessions and that is F419 mom.
Okay,
that was it.
Eti ene National Health Insurance Authority ebamu obamu say obabetua for the top up of 380 no to 491 Kolibu
in Kolibu.
Eti samuko na some one which am 380 dia okwa de beka cho say health insurance a cheer for the top up but for 380 dia one also cheer.
We are yet to come to that. Kolibu is yet to come out to come and let us know say whether the philanthropist no ogusu utua na say untua say no say no so untua bi udia na so mo ya ma committee ni ayadwuma hu because on the table because some can say philanthropist no ebia waja itua
yeah
na ka ho no yehu ha be say yes Kolibu yes so ya gia yes so ya be 419 for 2 sessions no
491
for 2 sessions no as at yan be 211
okay
because 111 they said the measurement say yan be 111
okay
top up no
yeah
until for 2 sessions no 111 plus 111 that is 222
yes
yan na yan Kolibu ye be receive but confa not be receive 419 for 2 sessions people be receive 1 for 2 sessions
okay
until no ahono no say Kolebu ba be chire mu chire say e bia papa no ntua bio.
Okay.
So otua so at emre be no start so otua.
Okay.
Say ye buy and one free October ni wa start tua dia. No so mo dey abromo fa yense sama.
So it means just say e betom se papa no entua or say committee ni sa go back bi.
Go and work again.
Whether the 2 million no e betimi aso say the mark calculate the adru no.
Yes. O say e come back na say we say an Kolebu no. Ye ntimi ma Kolebu 111 o say mo fu 491 no.
That's my 491 means it's canenso. Copy calculation amri abayedi.
Yes, and I say yes, that would be said then the committee have to go and say that restructure it. And until so I top up on the 2 million for us.
Mama kona mene we are quite encourage more Elliot. What you make is that what join here? Yeah.
I don't come
Baby uncle na ba bedru ni o. Now committee akwa tenancy akwa na adwuma. In anticipation, say there's a philanthropist here or support Kolebu with 380 cedis for the 2 sessions. Now, near year TBM AS, I feel the patients no, a call one of which you have idea. Government so the calculation a factor in philanthropist Nejumano. But at least as if say the Eka be an philanthropist Nejumano in Susu. How do we deal with this? Oh, then line self freezing. Okay,
me that's it.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Betoka.
Sorry, I'm the call Bibemo. What am I going to
Betoka.
So the difficulty, unfortunately, I follow the discussion, and what I would say, let's say, I think I don't know dear, but I don't think the NHIE is actually going to give them the money in hand. I don't know. Maybe, I mean, I'm saying he would probably explain because Mr. Nkra is making it sound like ADID to cover and all. But I'm thinking, say, all they will do is know the number of people who are on dialysis. So for me, and so far now is to just try and make sure that they get the dialysis done without paying anything. And that is actually what we are fighting for.
Okay.
Then I'm common for you because, to be honest, I keep saying, when I'm coming from a financial point of view, because there will be almost all these years, So, Mr. Nkra, our people have been suffering all these years. So, but for me, I don't want us to now face Kolebu from financial. I think that's why the discussion rather should go to the fact that, listen, now the cost of your dialysis, hopefully for whatever long, is going to be taken care of. Whether philanthropists or NHIE, as beneficiaries, we are happy that you are getting the dialysis. You are happy you are getting the dialysis.
Okay.
But may take advantage to chip in something that is very important here.
Okay.
Now, sometimes it is made to look like dialysis costs, and only 491 and now 380. But and dialysis very come and they call the new I'm a patient. They feel as good as with Nkra who feel here. Never become. In Pania, in Rua, and stuff like that. Now, when we talk about the cost of dialysis, unfortunately, and know your side issue. But if we do dialysis twice a week, now the moja that form safety. Now, old Timmy and what Pania, I have a money which I Akokama. Or better now, how our customers say, was all customers because the moja no form. That's what they are saying.
Yeah.
Or better now, we be an analysis because in Rua also no man and analysis to come. And most of me try to honor and fat. Now, you will remember about what I'm using dialysis. If you are a prayer, almost say the catheter, the rubber vessel, and now on 9 more and I very fistula. Oh, that and couple here can want to do. So, as we talk about the dialysis cost, as your topic for discussion, when we talk about it, it's not only the cost per session and the man dialysis is
okay,
but all of these continuous costs to account. So to be honest, if I am to advise the government and all of these things add to the total cost. So how about say ABR, that erythropoietin and iron understand now and cancer 491 young baby.
Okay.
But all of these are helpful. Can it be such that cost of all of these things one way or the other are covered across board, which would help them generally in terms of the quality of dialysis that they see, as we talk about this. But I hear my friends from the NHIE. I think it's a good start. I'm happy that at least they decided that to help. Even if a true silicon here, they start here. I think it's a good start. But again, like you say, Oliver is asking for more because we want the best for our patients. And I think that as we start off from this particular year, 2024, our outcome with the 2 million, we'll be able to now find out, okay, how helpful was it? How was the distribution done? How, and again, they should speak to the stakeholders to try and find out, okay, how else can we help with these patients, and then try and see how best I able to avoid. So let's not just look at the dialysis cost as the Okoda machine is no issue, but then in every look at how we need to factor into.
But Dr. Elliot, me jam wako. Who share the current state of our National Health Insurance Authority? Omu ahwode so betimi absorb the cost of dialysis e Ghana.
Very good question, and I think anytime we have these discussions with them, they bring up the fact that the premium price is not good enough. But I think, sir, that is why we need to have a national conversation on this. Listen, you cannot say you want the best of healthcare anywhere in the world when you are not ready to pay good premium. I think it is unrealistic sometimes. And then again, the government should be able to know who are supporting and who should be able to pay what. Now, the problem with this country is that probably it's only a few people who pay taxes, a few people for the majority. So increasing the tax net and all of these things are helpful. But the point is that anytime you let us know, say, listen, premium it probably is not sufficient. But the premium is little, but then we can take care of malaria, typhoid, but we cannot take care of other conditions. So then it becomes problematic because we in our here can say, you don't know who else will get kidney disease. You don't know. And the point is, let's say, we might all be beneficiaries of this if we put the necessary structures in place. Do we need to have a conversation on the premium again? Or has it become a political language in this country? You know, it's a politics that then it becomes such that when some of us want to get a pragmatic solution to our problems, here's the main because we campaign message, let's say we are one-time premium, we campaign message, let's say increase, but then at the end of the day, you also know that the amount you are generating might not be good enough to be able to take care of the health of your patients and that of your people. And this is what is important for universal health coverage.
Okay, but as Dr. Elliot, better see Pisano Paonia Bre, it's me, Johnny. So, Bravo, who can 491 or a boom? So be back for a full session for dialysis here. Yeah, no cost the best to say.
Yeah. To say the doctor can. 491 year o kwa defidi no so pay.
Okay.
O kwa defidi no so.
Consumables nin kan.
Consumables no ene e wa fidie no so a.
Okay.
Ye de be no.
Okay.
Ati said the waka no, ye wo pani be won erythropoietin.
Ano ya pa.
Enya ya no ya no body. The point is kidney patient be anemic. Okwa da machine so moja no die furusine ko ba. Ye yiwa about 1 or small percent be cut lines in him.
Okay.
Into umoja sote. The 10 be no. Also wapania no to bring it up.
Okay.
To bring it to start okano.
Every session be abeko.
Every to say normally because I no board in
Yeah.
So twice a week wo baako.
Okay.
Once a week. But so wo sika there. That's a ka obetimi a. Wo wa na umoja no do 12:30 na doctors mka to make at say jai wo. Because umoja no do pempensu we wo say. But say make an baako bia ye year bo se moja na kakra bi beka lines ni nti say unyo bia wota wa
okay
te say ka metie ka me ne ka say bo se ka metie so ko me moja no wo form na no baako ye 2.5
250.
yes na 200
baako bia
yes 250 no enya no nko a ye waduro bi ye friend iron me mu hawa me eno e ka ho e ka erythropoietin no ho na ma moja na basro no
okay
e ka ho nti emphasize ano so ye 50 cities 70 cities.
Okay.
Nti roughly the fan says sad me no be cost 300.
Yeah.
Nti say fan says say o ko na watwi. One of the sessions no so we did open 300 the cap 491.
So we are talking about 791 Ghana cedis for one session.
One session.
It every week you bit me up say 2.
Yeah, to see no it depending on doctor about most of us no say yeah 3 times a week. Sika 17 yeah twice a week.
Twice a week.
Twice a week.
And twice a week in 1,582 cedis.
Sure. I mean, no, say lorry fair my. Apart from that, we say make kidney patient be a underlying factor. Either so you're hypertensive and as a diabetic. ɛno so wonwuro hɔ so woto
amnya adwuma wemra eba beto so go so ehwe bedwam on Adom TV ebra se be komula ama boys enya kakra de atomu ebotom ubewini me na me ka kira ubewini anopai ko numbers na eba no mbetimi akama pa ama no otwa no wetimi awini mulabre aso ya baisi ya so before I be kwakofa mula na make obi enso say Mesroada yen tonko so enyi bi and support the new force na omguso so ebo yen kai say limited voter registration exercise na koso no obi an try fa no enhyemu ye this the new force omomba abegie free yamane the new force nana kwame bediako the new force to see limited voter registration exercise na koso no started on the 17th on the 27th of May yenyina momon se betimi ho ahyem eye pa se na be yenyina betimi enso register no say open support bi anso afrem 0531 100081 0531 100081 we a message free new force on eba no mon support ewo registration na ekoso no afi yenkomula emra na meto aso mo nyina kwa babiem emfa emra bedwem so yeah sankesi and I think that I was saying nyina etimi da ye ho so eye ba wa wini mola no wadwini odem wa wini amempa ba ewia 12 number 6 akwanya sa also betimi asa awini why mempa ba kra but the discussion ama memory eyes I think nyina sa so my nyina so etimi boy ho na I think education will form health education and kasa will form o my the health education and kasa power form Ghana because me always believe say education cost bebre e ka bebre born hospital na beba from number 1 ye nya bibia cross evidence crash covid the kind of education they were covid and my bebre timi die ho so say a b c d ye betimi akwakoti ade abi that 1,500 Ghana cedis a week I know there 6,000 a month there be untimi na me catch it untimi ay nyame amfafia na beto 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 betimi adwane discussion no here call here dey but happy birthday enko enfama miankasa madam for reports in the nest Nyagopon enshira na onyokese an old student of Emmanuel Senior High School. Man Ripo, happy birthday. Enko Enfama. Then also happy birthday Enko Fama National Bequeen. Next year wo Parambo Health Center wo yeji in the Pro District, Bono East Region. We free Stanley Ajete Ehodom. Happy birthday Enko Enfama. Tientua enkomo so betimi adwane 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 80 says we have 1,500 until say buying national insurance from way ebe take effect no we have 1,500 Ghana cedis a week and so otimi anya session nyina. That's really annoying to do.
That is the reality. So you can imagine Obi under 15 years.
Do you think that we have enough education on kidney disease?
Because every day, how new cases crimes about 3 or 4 every day.
On average?
On average. Average, you can bro, it's about 8 or so. Every day. It didn't be free emergency, be parcel I am. 3 or 4 you get. So it keep adding on. And I make us age bracket in this one. The larger population of kidney patients is between 18 to 45 years. The youth on the most of them could go back to very pathetic. Young girls, we school, we SS or university pam, we university pam, we poly pam. They are all there. Some of them crown. Some men have to take advantage of them. He wants to have something with you. Dialysis. It's a big challenge. It's a big challenge.
Isaac, good morning. Oh, for me. Say, Ola no, I drop it. For with me, after back now. Also, but it's serious.
My main car health insurance. It's a welcoming news because, sorry, Ushema. What am I faculty? Nipa ye work on. We be 2 sessions a week. Into they multiply by 4 na 8 sessions in a month. What's the boss say to the boy to me laughs it. One shall be 9 sessions.
Yeah.
Good. What about 2 sessions out of the 8 or 9 sessions, you know? Ya can in actually trouble.
Isaac, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Pacho free.
Pacho because I feel what's there already. Move on.
Isaac, it's you.
Okay. Pacho mo Pacho mo program na mo ya na mpese me be mo kakra.
Wa be mo betimi aka wasem.
Me Pacho Ghana hana ye wono yo me pi ho no ma. Odino wa won ti ase ye mpeni mfo no. Wa wo se udi o yale. Na eduma be na o ye. Week or 20,500. A month yes 8,000. Even more year you might any year you might attack a claim, but you're doing it idea. Same week, maybe spend 8,500. Na me maybe I mean, na me area, the year man or move and again, Mugidi. If you also have buying, that's I really was going to invite to me and to us, I cannot, and I almost I can because I can't move on in general. As I am my way. As the way ministers any idea who was come or model
Mesro. Yes, Nyamish, I'll make you a point. Well noted. Why are they? Hello, good morning. Okay, watch me.
It is the American a welcoming news. A beboapa, at least 2 sessions, a bebo, and then your home high, but don't do an actual.
So 8 for a month. And
it be year 12. Those who do 3 times a week, you know.
Yeah.
Or by 12 sessions a month.
Okay, we 2 in the year. We 8.
8 and 9. We say 3 was on a lap kakra.
Okay.
What was to me kakra. And we say by 9 sessions in a month.
Mamiko Kumasba, we say good morning.
Morning.
Watch it you.
Yeah,
that's it.
Come on, Mumudi. Because you are really dear. If you say 2, I just say, only can be the first one to survive. No. Do it as a Kaya who copy a week. Any fan of Copatas K. Ghana didn't know to the Bianca. Yes, sir. I tell you, I guess all almost the matches to the good normal for cut that. I know one more mammophone. Now, and no more than Dodo. That's not one more for now. Yadia, where you Nami so be here. Nami so when you are here. Nothing, Papa.
That's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Me Pachodin is an Afri.
Masa, me free kufu be free Kobi.
Kobi etio.
Masa, ya really dear, ho mobo. Na seni eka kwoni ya rewi eka na ekwa kwa se death sentence. Masa, obeje di se kufu dua se wenya sa ya rewi na kwa ha. Firstly, no doctor never catch us. So between okay 6,000 a week. Na bisa on se Ghana ye wono. Nipa send on market to a month could do 4,000 and 3,000. A death sentence. Na me health insurance e wo hui. Ade na binding to me yes health insurance the premium oba. A month obi o contributed to 6 cedi. 6 cedi na betimi afa yare saying. And the health insurance no it's like a way something na ye. Ye be ni ye a yen hwe ni enye ni ye say bia a month no and I say for the year no regular one 100 cedis.
Okay.
Open premium 200.
Hello, good morning, Grace. Grace, good morning. Hello, Grace. Fetch me. Kwasi, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho free.
Pacho me kasa to push.
Yetio.
Pacho na me kasa sisi senior mo kanu no. I have an opinion to kama. Sisi ana yema mo think I mean if it's a resources be o mai. Ya ka ko mo Tanzania ko ambono. O mo tumi de dialysis mo tumi ni patishu free of charge. Think the resources e o mai mo no. Ke mpani fo ntumi nhwe. Na ka dia o hawa e da e so kesi na e ti me mfo no ntumi afford no. Ko mo pass up e di no. Na ko e should ntumi what me mfo because I'm watching o mai. Na se bia se mpani fo no ya wo so se ti se na se ke bia mo ntumi mfa what me mfo. We ya how can because I think 400 and something in the day. I think that I know she is somewhere mine.
But I say, Andrew, good morning. Andrew, but you're free.
Free about 4.
Andrew, it's you.
Offense about 4. Me, Kaka American say, ye be a memoir, ye Kasa, ye blemo abai. Aban Babon, whom what now say, obey be BD Abuan a month for, and a moment de dano. The same insurance, he bay. Kebe down no be komu na bikura abaisika odi ekutua e bi ko bi no botom se se we aye dia bai abanu pepe pages ka mo mfa nko boa me ni se bo na akodi babi ti yen nkasa no juma yen panimfo no di ka ye minim ne manyini kakra me ko 70 years na kan ne wa aba juma bebrebe gramo GTC wa ye papa na na hweso na eye da na ko fom ye papa no so aba wo ye ma amoma ba adwuma no ye papa no di ka na ehwe ni ya nkiri maso ba benya adwuma ni bia ye nkiri ba bia ye papa na omo no afia mo adi ni ma na she omo nsa o ma hwe ni nyuma ni ye.
Okay. Hello, good morning, last caller.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Apa ni Pacho di sana free.
Saya ko kubo mkasa fi Western region Tanyata.
Machi etio.
Pese bi sase edien na ye itimemfo ye ya sa kidin problem so beti.
Okay. Mati mera si unfa change me for phobia ABM. Emze about education and e kan wasem na. Obi sade no betimi ayama.
Oh, the mechanism a regular checkup. One was a kidney a silent killer. A kind of one stages. Stage 1, stage 2. Education no cost baby. They say make us say unusual headache.
Yeah.
And you see maybe a boys with tea we have got paracetamol no call. A joke a crab, but one and some baby. It means we are be a high blood pressure and I say we are you also checking out.
Okay.
Into measure senka you bit me and quarterly be ano. Koye proper checkup. You won't in tema it me be fan.
Okay. And a bit me to us.
Oh, bit me to us. You won't in tema say if your kidney is a problem by one. They put you on some to manage you to bring you back, then you are back. Yeah, who in tema we do stage 4 and 5 now, end stage. We need choice them to come on the machine. In 1 education in the DDM and then a magi in your manabadodo. I can Doctor Ka Yenchini. The culture back or what you go for you once I don't say born to the way. Would I young quino? Nini, I maybe was safe in you. You see, to me, share you share lifestyle, a bebo. I think the Rita Twitter, because I'm calling Kwala, Mopa Mummy documentary. What kidney case? Now the boom was. Could we were 13 years girl on the machines? And before then, you were 9 years, almost 15, we didn't move. Apparently, you're. Ubi or by no 13 years, but that's 3 years or 16 years this year. 16 years on the oil, then I confess it's higher. You need 40 plus. In terms of say the above brand, I say didn't you? But on more. Well, I'm getting 25, 30. And Rankalabia, small girl be charm and you saw me who I'm so friends. I bet now also about 3 months, me who that I'm saying, and I mean, what the I also 22. I'm definitely.
It's an so hard, you know.
Oh, harding. Young crow for young boys, pepper panel. Unya abrochi the whiskey nika kana no ma. Ogugulu no. Akobi enu na omope. Hard. So channel into percentage. Alcohol is about 1 or 2%. But maybe at the close of the way a bottle of beer, Guinness beer, it doesn't say, but to do a and also all trains, yes, me could track a class of Makudidi. Keep me so, and then the first point of call. Would it be a corner hospital? Take on some say, come.
Well, for better say, well, for inquiry President, the Renal Patient Association, and I'm to say, no church, when I believe Sano pay. Yes, you are dear, and you're be dear. For me, you don't see 1,500 cedis a week, dear. Men Canada, you check down the mupa. I'm going to make you be about 3%. I know them. You're showing me the question is a channel, your best, a dear, background.